Watching more about Badwam TV Badwam so yenjumedie free sabre kwesisa no nkono ebebo apem de edikan Adom TV Badwam kase no nsam no do so ne todwa wo mu bi ya wo betini school placement no ahyase anu a won ma biem ti wonte ya hwe kohwe ode na yabebora Akache South Fire Service for the abetudwa September bosumi mu nkwanhia ekosoro ewo ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay Mede bro, Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live or Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 and Facebook/Adom TV extra YouTube Adom TV tube. Mede dia fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said en semni chiremu etie. 2023 computerized school selection and placement system. Ya senior high school one more chronic TV no one more ebiemo enra. Enipa 585,797 no we move 477,772 and one more placement one candidate just one more kasa ekoko place school no de ekoso emu sam Adom TV etwaso
Nankora be 598,839 and why kidi census and so on every free SHS for no and no more for now no obutimi place 85,797 candidates. Just when they qualify, I was a place you. But out of that, you free automatic placement. That automatic placement in a machine, and one is a penny for and as a consultant to the Robusia Jumana and Ohanes Udina Basampa for school week. It be out for Prempe College for Pomero Senior High, and I say be a half of my senior high, not a do coho. And Tiano Safono and a year 81.56%. 81.56%. I say 477,772. Nankorabe 108,025 representing 18.4% there. Or mono that automatic placement opportunity. Na the entire man koba sa no ebo ha na course of person kokoye school be no sa course no ayema nti we schools no choose ni nyina no so na grade no so no enkonkan e do bi on so a wo he ba bia wo ti ene ba bia na for distance ne ba bia school no na hu se da bi ye boa makra na nkasa ni self placement da eno ba boa no na etimi ama ba bia wo no nti no sa ya ni pese be temper o se makra na nkasa da discretion no so person ko school we and also ko school we nti no so no represent 18.44%. Then akwanya ho portal ni baby o ko internet cafe bia na ombe se bia person ko school we nti schools ni bebre na no portal no so a any course assigned courses and also how bitini aye na nkurabe 598,800
Akache South Mensimu voter region second and fourth quarter no emu 2023 aya September tichu no nkwanhia ekosoro wo hopa Adom TV etwaso.
We've recorded several cases within the Akache South municipality from the first, second, third to middle of fourth quarter. The domestic fires recorded so far from the first, second, and third quarter to fourth is the 8 domestic fires, 5 electrical fires, and 11 accidents in total. But the highest we have recorded so far is in September within the Akache South municipality, which is the accident cases.
Enuachi odi afutu ema ahyenkafo a wonam wo mu kwantempo so se eya wo mu indi kwan so hye eso se de beya akwanhia simi eso ebete.
My advice to them as we are entering into a very serious season, which is a Christmas festive season, I advise every road user to be careful. Don't drink and drive. When you have seen that you have taken alcohol, don't drive because people's life will be in danger. Wherever you have seen that there are potholes or porous roads, you have to plow, you have to pass through those places with carefulness. And wherever you have seen that you are tired, you can no longer drive, please take some rest.
Wa edra ashokoko edra seche duma semensin mu asantemantem ede to aban no anim se eye asokoko ene sakikura no ekwan ne nye aban wosrew brabe ye ma wo mo sabe ya de kwan no se de enyenti ede nkwanhie ba ho no ebe brase
bebia ye kwan no kwan ne nye Ana sa so we so sabaji kwa ni na yede asade aboso they say kura de say ye mo balance kwa ni sa ko gro forest no ndi so mo amaye hu bibi amaye de a ye hu ntoye ana amaye me na so da ho so tamu ntontom nwu ye nkola ya malaria haye wo ye ri ha ntomo hwe no mo yere mo ye hu bi mai esra aban
ndie kwan kese nta se mrebe hu bedru kwan no na amena no beda ho no te sa no obi ayi nani obi amfa ho na amena ne da ho a practice no mu bo fam na ntwie na ese amena no dia be se ya da ho no ade san tuntum de bia area ha no de bia ade da black hospital ade ya malaria ade san wuntimi gina ha kan mo ahodo na wo nsuo nim nti nsuo na nyame anima no kra nim ha ye papa nsuo to a fie ha na nsuo no timi wura fie ha na
Enuachi, assemblyman na Owesa Krono Emu Abdul Rahman, and Sunni Adom Kasie Edi Sankomoy.
Omampeni, Yura, Nanado, or Baby warehouse no, or Casa from Ashaoku to Ashuja Jankaka, Sa Road, Omodama contract. Na Sa Road, Nomodama contract, which time be warehouse, and a pro the first time of buy out with Muya warehouse no. Now calculate more than your friend say more than 6 years in na kwan go modama contract from Ashaoku to Asuja Dankaka and that's what who see
ai de bia ye kwan nye
ya na Ghana ene wiase man ye ni beda ho wo sikasemu kro no bonom ne ade ene mamofo a wo mu de sikadada de hia na amantamo bi e bebra fomunti and they make us say Intergovernmental Action Group Against Money Laundering ewo West Africa one ene multimedia jumaku akabom ayebebo de ro afasa ne ye no eho
are not performing on a kind of listing that affects virtually everything in the country, but coming out of that list set Ghana apart. But today the set agenda for GIABA is to ensure that there is massive awareness among our populace what they need to know about the predicate offenses, what they need to know about money laundering, what they need to know about terrorist financing, and how the society can come together to fight these criminalities. And it is in line with this that we are here to work and partner with the media organizations, train them on the use of the right terminologies, understanding of the content that is related to this fight, and how to apply them and sensitize and create awareness among the society. Are not performing on a kind of listing.
So penny wom rashebe de fiemo ese raketi hamon awo no ye so for trade and industry so someone wo de eto edwachirim se nuane ahodo bi beduonu mienu bi wo ho a oye ma ho kwan kramo memu no ohwe ni mu se da ya wada de sa nsam na chinwa hyew no ne ade ekoso nyina no o mehwe no waje atomu de ekoso o rashebe de fiem eni.
Well, we left with the understanding that there will be changes done, and then after that, the minister will come with a report, and the leadership will meet to review that report. As far as I am concerned, that engagement has not taken place. I've not seen the copy of that changes that has been done. So I don't know what we are laying. We are laying the old document. That is the document that we had issues with. I have not seen the amended documents. And so that is a problem.
Sakona Bray, Edichuma Mentrain Ebeto was Wafa was share in Kitawudi Samso, Esla Uswa Kofo, and Achamino Rashibi Jaffi and Tem.
The LI has not been laid. So I have no idea what we are debating in this house today. There is nothing before the house. So as you indicated to the minister that we are not yet there, I was of the opinion that you would tell the colleagues on the other side that there's nothing before us. I have no idea what the references are being made.
Were you here from the very beginning?
My understanding is that...
Were you here from the very beginning?
No, I've been here since morning.
Please, can you... You've been here since morning?
I've been here since morning. I've been here from the very beginning. Today, I was
here. So why did you say
when
no?
The prayers were being
If you were here, why did you say no? I
have been here all morning. I had no idea what you meant by the very beginning.
we left with the understanding that there will be changes.
General Hospital a COVID ne ba ye wo mu gina mu pa bo a ya manne ye won kwan no mu ohade ya bo won mo abaso a Adom TV etosui.
And for the Greater Accra Regional Hospital in particular, the role that we played in this fight is there for everybody to see. And as we said earlier on, this is the hospital that received the first 2 cases. At that time, everybody was afraid. We didn't know how it was all going to turn out. And so people, when they see this, they say this is a COVID case, people ran away. But this hospital stood by the staff when the 2 cases were brought. They volunteered and they sacrificed and they looked after the patient. Those 2 cases survived and were discharged home. So for that reason, we cannot just close our eyes to the good things that the people of this hospital have done.
And which my phobia or Bawabaso and so any Adom Cassia etchin and Como.
So at the stance, you're showing us a boy any Yama be here to say PPs in Yaman. A baby say Sanyaman be continuous a beba. Na infection prevention control measures na ye book de rune. A man for bet to also say on sa. So that in case a BB near Krakana bar, sa prevention measures near that. And say Yapina a baby who sa.
Nya 2 year won say ebeboa no say obe share en munyam ebe de ebe yan kran share ma foforo say bi obi wo ha wan kan ho bi esan be bia no wo na ehu an na ehye ni mu na hu sa abasbody a o chine bi na ebe hye ne kran say o ti se bibi sa ekoso on twe ne ho ne mo do ho be hye mu bia aboa
ye na adan bubuo ana say dan ye si dan na adwiraguo ana obi suto obi na adwiraguo no na ade beba efomunti ene Consumer Protection Agency de to Ghana Standard Authority anim se wo se won ye nhwehwemu pa de fa adansie ho niema ne titu cement no ene iron rods. Adom TV etwaso
na niema bi koso ada ebugu kese pa wo Ghana ha niema mi nti na ma da ne bu cement ene iron rods ene cement ye hu se e de atete eba na Standard Authority for ewo kwan a omo fa so ema cement eya pepepe na so mo ya adenti na wo se yesu mo kwan de tosu mienu eya iron rods ye kra no hwehwemu kire se ena bonefo wo krom hanamo omo kraba eni omo ya mo tumi omo ebi wo ha kra no wo be kodwa so no de your friend say 15 mm no after de 12 mm ena ye 15 mm eni se wo de say aka kire wo se edan na wusie no wo hia 15 mm now kona se ma 12 mm now de wunim now ko si dan no na dan ni durigu a na kum ni pa wa ya hwan fofom so and is a Standard Authority for etimi enya agoguduro yes aniema na yen Consumer Protection Agency for yeta wo machi o ma sede na mra so say complaints wo dwom say iron rods especially millimeters no obitimi de 10 no the amount say 12 no the amount say 15 but you were 10 wo ho you were 12 wo ho and you were 15 wo ho and this anem conform yes ade no e be manufacturers e be importers wo mo hwehwemu no mo hu wo ma wo mo e de buapaye e ton 10 millimeters ama as 12 and now 12 as 15 no wo mo enum bedi
Foundation for West Africa ne won stakeholders a share ya wo mo dwendwen eye enipa ye tietia won fa hodie so e wo online teachio ene ma kwan ya wo be fa so na sa ne ye no abafo
amasa de ne twem
na me ka say me ye research no especially say when we are having some political discourse in kasa efa especially politics ho mba ne mfa omo ho nhye mu bebre esan say omo show say ebia edidi atam bi beba o omo nim begu ase nanso ye kasa say yamfa ye hu anhye mu a hwan ne mfa ne ho nhye ye mom ne betumi de ye ho ahye mu ne ya makasa ne kasa den abem ama temperature na heated argument ebebani na ebebrase.
Enwechi Data Protection Agency ebo manfo kokose adibfa ho no eyewa wajapade ne senti ni se wode to abonten na oko social media so ene wo phone so a password da so no wo sa brano no wo sesa ne sebe ya obi ntimi mo nwura wo phone mo enkodi obone.
Once you have you're on social media and you have a password, I advise that you change it frequently. Some people may have it for about 5 years, 2 years, at least like every month or in every 2 months, you should be able to change your password. And there's a way you're supposed to change your password. At least have a letter in the capital letters. You should have some symbols in there to make your password strong so that people cannot be able to figure out your password and be able to access.
Nene wasa bo ni chimu poso obesa prebiem 2024 abatwa ebeto animo.
Na yebie nomination no 20th December. Me pick forms and minim say constituency no ebe mama kwenya mama timi ato adwumadie na media no so san say ya chef foundation bi ase e wo constituency no as it me this foundation no e kwa wieye e fa light ho e fa ya kwan ya yi e fa hospitals and as a chip compounds ayeye e fa police stations ne nkwala ye for mo adwuma no sa foundation no en say yitimi man ye de edwirigu as me timi to aso
enwechi na mahemfo ne omanfo bi a one wo mu edinhiemu ene adom kase atwetwe enkomo editu dwase wodamra hyebedwane ya sepa sanse wo ba ye otimi de mpontu nyuma wodo aba won kro no emu
aye papa ne di kan aye hu anaya sma no parliament ya di kan asme bi no awe mpesi aso anso ya hu bi omo ye na papa we ba ye se nyema wa ye no ye kum ha ya se kum ha na nya hanfo
me de me kwade contract so sa kopem se wiase kura beso contract so sa kopem se wiase beso
na to sen so be MP de obone homodin ewo nyema bibre ho na o share education sector kura oma ebimu anya teaching no akwanya no akokyra de na police service ne other security service ni nyina
Ona Adom TV Badwam kase no aha na bema kwan na no pay me de asie me da sepa emre ne adaje a wode ehwe kase no de adru so no nso ahohia se wutie de bonkrata ne online stories no me twa me ho be si ma me enu ni aba ye ba o manhene kwabna sante wo ha ne de ato so me da wa sepa so ajebre se hwe ye biem ye de news no akwa akogu amade adru so no de bonkrata ne online stories no e na abeka yensa o manhene kwabna asante ejina na so e wa anya bete kra enso besore emu akwabe
oh mejoso
na bia boko
oh papa bi go so him papa bi
e de nyame ase
mejoso
so
aya you careful aya you careful no one ko fa nyoma bia ensem fata me to so aya you careful o you careful titiri fo apomuden ho sem you careful osmosis you careful
ya hweye
ya hweye osofo kwachi ya hweye breakfast cannot be alcohol you careful o you kaka na untia we say do di ago de wona ona ikokotako you careful aduane a wudi insu a wonom nsa wo we ma oni omoda you careful o ona wagi nuru a wodo nyina se wo person che be ma you careful okwa odi asema ba fie you careful o we manim enum TV ni tra oni nyina nsua de because wo ka mimi wo bi wo su obi you careful hweye o yiri ni si sorry ko dwa enko ba bia o tra wa you careful Bronye be ya fini ko na wiza you careful o we shankani you careful o pesika dodo you careful ahweye se o pe omoja dodo de ase de nsuo be frɛ mama you careful o da also wo di kwati kwan ko pesika you careful posi ni akọ bo akonfo mo matimi akobokro no you careful tro die ni konkonsan ko a you careful mesrewa ya hweyi ankasa ene wiase no ahwe very important you careful o de ot tete nkofo achi na wo yi nkofo na asesrade sa na wo kona aba na wo na one champion e krase ga man ye careful emre bia also bebusu bi komra nya adwuma o Ghana o de koso ye shira kuse ka shen na kodu emasum nuda ye very careful. You're careful, papa. There's a base because then you call the chat to was Abusum. We want to know why you're careful. That's not that I'm in November. Chain, you see, Busumi for Freddy, you're careful. You're careful in some who do okay, can you're careful. One day, a budget tap, Massa. You're careful, wow, you see, and not that you go so catch you and she, yeah, Calcrano. I find I will chill back into a gas so. You're careful. Because you boom, I can't free movie. You're very careful. You're careful. Edi how that to conforce. Will there be a big tremor one on any panacea? Oh wait. Now where? You're careful. Obi a bono brand yanisika. Now see cocaine on the yanisika. Now also cocaine for Kona koto sky. Be very, very careful. Sama kesia na okika Ghana yonde besi na komodia na ene ko ene wuku besi. You're careful. Unima o just go YouTube na ko baby ntokwa bi asis na ni pa shebre. You're careful. Eno am ni pe ko divo mfo ni o de bre me. You're very, very, very careful. You're careful. Kronongsa. Zemkikasa. You're very, very, very careful. Who needs to appoint you? Who ya? As I got to train out the quiet Dranam Yedi. You're careful. Who needs to join from the quiet Dranam Yedi? You're very careful one day. Now, Baboon Kunta, you're Unkrababoon Kunta. You're very careful. In fact, to do Antino, wow, the color. Yen Kukwadiani, Rishango. What did your man say for the Frank Katia? Kukunte. Frank Koso? What the Kosos are? You're careful. You're careful. A cow say, won't say the Gubino a bit. Koso? You're very, very careful. Kauna. But driver, I catch us a ties, a walk on singing, and your papa was a major driver for. You're careful. You're very careful because Nipan Kwan echo back. You're very, very careful. Teacher for us and Monen Kwarani be should di agra and send fata. Munya careful. Munya very, very careful. And check lectures as well. Musisi matata, masa munyo man na. Mo so no muntimimpa. Munya careful. Munya careful. If you should see lecture hall on put that about no first class. Munya very careful. The kind of environment I am building, you're careful. Utrim point answer with DC two we are koso. We are MP to abuse we minister we koso the koso. Emre. O obi odi braka so da. Obi wo we are say odi braka kaso na hitla mu na see abakenka o mabakasem ko. Ya nkase almighty George Wallace nyame for the currency so that so. Professor Dubois so Kwame Nkrumah na obo a eji fa hodie no oni ni nuanum ya omwe na wo no se kodua no abo na ntwe ni kura no anka ne to na wo konfo akofo ba ye ya ba gegere wo di kura de be council. You're very careful. Unim se enye papa na se odi hini o fa kwati kwan bia so natna kudwan. You're careful. You're careful. Ahini na nya papa we dia o ya na kwatena so. You're careful. Edufudi pe eni bre ahoya konkonsa nentintwitwa nkoma ensem fata. You're very, very careful. O ya judin. You're careful. Ka judin na makai na atrenso late mine nyame fa na currency yi. Na hima wa atrenso so na pay ya chiao ejiri se bibia e kama.
Abana ka kwan na ayi obeche bi roundabout ho.
Aboso kwan dey.
Enyo.
If oil do was your kakra de kono. Ma say no. Na for so da be.
Kwa. Oh. Hey, amna pe enyo. Oh, na den o maja ye.
Sisi kasem. Say o masa de sika ntina budget di o masa kenka akoye kuayo ene kwan bi.
Hey, Debbie. Kwabna omo fa so de bia de bia so mto ayi absorbers.
Anam say no pay say me de question na me fa onja na emu da ho onya da ji hu de. Ba utim working day ankasa pa ni jabeto.
Na wi abo na ka na hwehwe amenam. We de esremu pa efe, esoro de na o maye no efe. Na form no. At least omo me level bi ayi. Mo fa yi ntwi so keke.
Na me busa but unti omo se wonte kwan ya ase. Jana busa sa. And then omun grisu for the time
because I know. Abna ka hwe amena mu a
very bad. That's all say Thai centers na won nyina ne sa stores on obi akọ of.
Fine. Hono omo de omo adwuma no me bom pa e be baba. Ba kwan na kasa aka no. Wan na beba ho. Me hu bank bi ho. Wan na beba ho. Just omo a wo ho no a. We de esremu a. Wonya bibi. Ah, ye wura mo akwanta we de wadaro ma papa. We da munko faso bi munko faso na enye kra obeche bi lamte freze obeche bi circle ho no mon die the dome ho royal house ho in and out ho nyina nkoye we di wuramu aboso kan ho no ankasa kra na wasa ne ka na me Monday no
yeah
na wasa ne trailer ahia na wo tre wo pian po kai mu amana nko ne edenchi beto so yesra mo mamu ma BBC amiente committee ansane die mu a yesra mu a se mutimi a level ho kakra for time being no anke beboa na enye easy enne spare parts ne ma bo nye bete servicing car nye bete nti misuma wo mu efa so de bia in and out misuma wo mo pa enu amefa so na car bo amra no ayase ye oya wato obokura no na wato obo so a traffic to a dear penny for yesremo de esie bia nti no bibi kakra bi a mobeye amani pa ho han wo sa kwan so no de yesremo a modaroma monya maye kakra na entumemu a yesremo a
okay so afia man kwadi kan no aka 16th of 29th of November but 16th the end December Carol's night no 9 lessons no Adom TV yani kuma wood for akabum ana multimedia kwa ana fe keke fosu said the abakosem chire otro kunkunum na esa besire sua de ifa de boa ma no nyina wi pe on say me o ma hene kwabna sante that day multimedia kwa said the omo eba ya omodin boto sin kakra wo Perez no me na meja o machidi ene 16 December na me chair 17 days or so away me na me be di Adom kwa na multimedia kwa na nim na medical your skills at your say enye kasa keke enye kasa asemi dika
ke wana si akoto asemi dika o
yaro
shia mema why me manage dia wona say suba we dia hey okay why it what media kwa baba nka ho perfect
say wenu say na baba be dey makra
we dey bra show no be the other ones no ba nyom no dey jama multimedia kwa wo mo fa maye so ati
yeah okay oti ase ba
ati ase papa
say quality da no say na be dia mi jama memba
o dey jai adaroma enim so ya de o skills we no keep it nyame ya do ma
suppose we there
oh sure
o ma me ra ho
I ma ra ho sa that here me maintain ni say ya je 16th nyame ya do ma nyo ne be lead kwa na de but o wachi o be o sha in 16 December 5 p.m. ye be gate to the 7 program na sha se de o hia your 30 Ghana cedis nti me srew momra kuma we stars no won so o mo anso e ka ya na e fedodo yemra mesre ne release stress ni bi mwrade ne adi ne ye bebre ye ne nkofo bebre shafi ase na o twa ni awunhu no o ga za bi a wo so sense nipa ne da bi e Adom bi keke nti edru bibi se no mu se no aba ne do abodom ne ada awrade ase ne a wo de na aba bedru nti e hwe wani pa wo a wo hwe me sabre mani beje se wo ba betape ma beti e fi ntwa picture say picture no a what you say picture ne be twa masu awrade ne yedi ne nti nyame ya Adom assistant
okay so mama can say apomudi unsem beba ahonsepe beba agokensi beba asemidika beba mpensempense beba mula fonso ye ene be din komo it is a packed program but it's my do to quickly dey bre my okwan Ghanaian time say any pensia ewo enkwanhia bi a emu o ibrem ya e obrekum On the main person, my shall say, I think I finish when we are, and I'll bruise. I finish when we are doing Macau. I do know. I finish when we are finished when we are finished when we are finished when we are. I'm saying I ain't careful. And I'm Beshasi and I ain't careful. Any Macacraca, e-jobs for all. Government targets 10,000 youths to build innovative entrepreneurial capacities in 5 years nationwide. Era Samuel Abujina Pona Akase. Government committed to supporting local producers. Era Kenofurata and also Akasa. Daily Graphic Anima. President hasn't refused assent to bill. Speaker of Parliament draw President attention. President Anuyi Abene quickly. SHS 1 registration on Monday. 477,772 students placed. Sukun kwadana no omududu ayema omakwanya so omfenra SHS no. Oba edi maya na school maya sukun e ma yemo hihyew. Won hihye na sa na ebi beto so na afia kura na ewie obia na obia nya ne de. E-jobs for all to reach 10,000 youths. Any market policy 10 billion Ghana cedi goes into agric. And also in Hwasem our daily guide say Jubilee House fights Speaker over criminal offences bill. Afi any side chick to cough 10,000 Ghana cedi after court trashes case. Get no na.
No kwati bi. But obi de hu ye di ho no so me de no court. Hey. Ni so share na no ade. Ashanti MP to partner Baomia. Yeah, minim say KJM4 na ekere because JM4 ana eka saying. Tall junior staff back new deal to revamp company. Scott MT Xavier Naka say police commander corporal hot over unlawful narcotic possession. And what's him? The Inquisitor. Be careful. The Inquisitor say how MP's common fund was used. Amadokuya declared wanted. Nimfonyini Ewahanim say. And the big one, Venerable Asenso Boachi and the success story of National Rent Assistance Scheme. If you have a that rent assistance scheme, no, Miami, I want to come first from the success of it, Nabibian, and I think inside John Mohammed's 24-hour economy agenda, and also want some in Chilima about the Inquisitor, they bro. The find and so free assist in Quara, place your mo, and I feel like Babi and New Year presidency, so dear Manona, Numa Hodua, Eba, online. If you say, man remanded after lover dies from failed abortion. Na enen so ye Kanema Penny John Dramani Mahama na oda or ye NDC flag bearer. And 29. Ti no wanya 65 years. Nti happy birthday call Emma His Excellency former Onyi. Obi
65.
Oh yes.
Ode me ba ha no was saying 2020. That's about 24. Ode me ba radio go. Hey, anyone you know MP for bowling.
Aye, when you fine. Nti, nyame kwaso anya okese papa onhira.
Na ma
kwatenten.
Ma so ntwitwa mu ni sa komrasa.
And say otu se ne ma be si fine papa. Nti ma lodi na so. Some ye breakfast bi a mon frɛ ne ye megresi 65th birthday no. Na nya come anti happy birthday former president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ha na be ma kwan na ye de esiedache mute ho na ye kwei agudie mo nsam ene health tips ahosepe ene dwumadi nkaye no ti mo fide no nkoso ana ha ye da se
Mwakwa kesi bi ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwum edi esu dia wo kansi on sempa esa kenen no pensu ja medin de Enoch kwasi walanyo walasa gudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the regional wallace the nations presenter and mesin kunya econo quantin cordens model en sa kenen no pensu bi e wo Ghana gudie ejao cheno so say kingdom herb from paying for the no tata hwebes miensa ana abeje de hu de robo 18 se jao on the kingdom garlic bitters no betia boa ana fe kingdom garlic capsules untimi no bitters na no me capsules ni bi eboa build immune system no na ema yadewa entimi MSA ni pedua no lower blood pressure na fe cholesterol ade ni anwa adonya blood pressure reduce sugar level no ema niama 822 ye edema pomodon sem onsa reduce fat levels ade ne anwa adoro nyina no prapra chese kama ema otimi look very healthy yasa the new kingdom ginseng power capsules abai memedro edro ba kwa no so betia sambo no abo adwuma best no hwero ha ne akiri enti bo modern da sa betia can be recommended for sexual weakness waist pains related to mental stress na fe produce energy afi eboa esama release semen na ma extra ehuale power betia sambo man kwala so etime so fie tremendous capsules so ye man de bo modern da sa white fita na so deep candidiasis na chewa edro eboa prapra himfio ema manfo type srawa o mani etime esanku odo anase nkaboni bia efiri on eboa maniama etime to ye de mount we mu ene nura Kingdom Herba and so Kingdom Home Estate and so Ediaba Kingdom Home Estate no wo so pe pa etian satan dia Ghana ha de baby ani ho agise Kingdom Home Estate o makache wo mo e quality na fe so modern touch and omde ama affordable houses some facilities so do ni etian sanchima wo mo e security service CCTVs cameras so electricity nyenam kanea egina so se chen na se call off grana wo mo standby generators ho so tibetian boa e ma e onkanea ho sem so niama etian koyi ediama fo ni kiremu ewo eye Kingdom Home Estate na fe kopedan papa ibito na mwa emane amantin ko yimfama se ote Ghana ha ana wabra TV frenya osika na beso otodan ana se ote abochi na se beso otodan Kingdom Home Estate na midin wa dance dia ma ukuma ekopon right at Latte Junction onsa ebetun san kam ho no kra no obetun asan Tourist Center Bri Botanical Gardens etun akohwe ni so ade afi botifo so Safari Valley Resort ho ana afi so kwa no close to Techekwasi Hospital no asa wapomodon sam enento ya odu ani chewa nyama betia to ye demanti we mu ene nyama emadane edi mutia ye de honkomo kakra so 18 senjao Kingdom Herba Center wo kan struggling obetia friend pin 053 614 9961 053 614 9961 and 030 393 9987 na one Kingdom phone pay for ntwetwenkomo ye ka Kingdom a ose no challenger wo ana etechira boa emena no pay e dia wo kense wo sempa esaka 8 jao game park games enso techiri yi pa ye draw no epempem so e Adom TV so anopa ana fe so e kataban so na fa nwumre ye draw no epem so ntimi sew wantimi endia no pa betia de nwumre wantimi endia nwumre so betia de wia ntimi sew game park games boys ni dia edi no enya asem keto kra fa hojim na mwa emaniama ntimi to yi enfama usika dwetri ho so ensem a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yensha say UEFA Champions League match day 5 I know so it is about so na nya asem keto kra Lazio for HSL take Makabi no mantiante Shakhtar Donetsk etime Antwerp etwem kabako omso entiante and afen so kwa final e transfer Atletico etwem kamiensa ombete kanabako PSG and Newcastle for ebo 1-1 na afen Milan e transfer Dortmund fi Germany ebetwem kamiensa omte kanabako Man City etime Leipzig for etwem 3-2 ewa Kings na afen Young Boys won so any team from say Grevna won etwem 2-0 ewa sa Kings kese etime sa to dwenim Barcelona enso che FC Porto etwem ekamienu ema omotimi etimu ba kwenti matches how do I and also 18 PM honum and net bibia betwema matches na betian sa to so asempa 94.7 FM Adom 106.3 FM the live commentary betian bro Galatasaray beton for Manchester United na fe Sevilla and PSV e dia boso Arsenal ne Lens be Chelsea akan na fe Bayern and Copenhagen be Chelsea akan na fe so kwa no team omudi ni Benfica wo enso any Inter adia kensi na boso Braga ton sada fe Union Berlin na fe Real Madrid and Napoli ana e be Chelsea kan Real Sociedad Elton said the first Salzburg na also omo case na boss we UEFA Champions League sena matches no ebisi atofem ene no ane de nkomo akran so 8 eja so far the 16 teams na etian qualify Barcelona for qualify Man City qualify RB Leipzig qualify Real Madrid na Real Sociedad Inter Milan Lazio Dortmund and Atletico for one ana qualify for omo NS round no nti nyame adoma website to aso na afie de ho hyehyɛ nyina so etimi ejaw yentintom e Ghana nkomom dia MTN FA Cup afibia no Ghana Football Association for Edisa Kings kesi etimi time so ema teams enketo a ehya asebo na mobo na se utimi qualify na se obehia teams akese edu ne adinimu na ohwemu dia nura Kumase Krobia Asante Kotoko womo so agifie kenten so omni Nations Football Club dey against the boss so MTN FA Cup no 4-2 against Nations Football Club Accra Great Olympics so ligbogbo oli Mashi, oli Nkosonkoso, oli Pitu, oli Juliju, oli Rosalenda, oli Akapo Kobe, womo enso any golden cakes about 0-0 90 minutes. No, the penalties at the time so separate the boys from the men. Olympics SF 4-3 will qualify for the next round of the MTN FA Cup. Team Kumabi Omutin and Nagod, also any Vision Football Club, editing time so 90 minutes no, there's a Vision Achina God for H 2-1. Elsa Kinsi Bonia Koma, Nashe Sena and Komo, and Agro, Esiko so, Aguban so. TNFA Cup sana matches na ekɔ no anana yɛde ɛho so nsɛnkyerɛnne kakra 8 sɛgya nyame adoma ɛna matches na 8 sa to asbi akra so fukne na nya behye si akan Koforia Simpa enso ɛhwɛ nim sɛ kwabia so wɔmne ADVSA ASC na dia akensi ne bɛbɔ so ni wadi bi ase ɛbɛto sɛ na Free Park Academy no mahye si akan Sky FC ɛne Samates ɛne dia akensi no ɛbɛtimi abɔ so ɛwɔ honom afei ntintom ɛwɔ 2023 African Air Basketball Festival no ABF ɛno 2023 ana 18 asaba so bibia betwema December yi ana sanhyɛ sonko no ebetua santo fena pemfo kyɛ December 15 fenkopem 17 2023 ana sai dwumadi a African Football Festival no ɛba so na African Football Festival for wɔn ɛne Adom TV na afei nso Adom FM ne Asempa FM akɔna kra na afei wɔn asa de kasahare nso atua sa atɛkyerɛ wɔn gidi pa sɛ team sa na esi akan ɛbɛsɛ nan ne wɔn increase no ɛkɔ bɛsɛ enwotwe na ya osechi ene panya sanhyehyɛ so nkwen woda no e Ghana ha ne koma odi gya ni
high school program a year or na 2003 and to this year I'm not here 20 years now. Wow, I couldn't believe it, you know, pushing the agenda of basketball, you know, making sure say basketball doesn't remain as category near their shemu as least, you know, lesser known sports, you know, because I was saying this on Adom FM a few minutes ago, say what team sports globally, basketball is third team sports globally. First one football, second one cricket. And sometimes make sure even the level of cricket in this country, I am wondering whether is it packaging, is it the marketing, what is refusing, what has caused the refusal of investment in the sport called cricket?
Nti ya osechi aferi wono ana basketball okroma no fi asese obo bankofa no amomati san hyase yi na nei etimi akudu Africa 2023 African Basketball Festival no wom ehwe nim se on the 15th of December and also ebetia ba so e my Ghana na odo ni etian san kire wona afi okohwe obukum boxing arena ana san hyase sonko no ebetia to fam quickly yenko Patrick Osajman countryman Songo ho na afi Songo Steak na no pay yenko ma Patrick Osajman edeba. Hello fireman. Hello, fireman.
Professor Otemenka.
Metunka, afi metunka.
Bibia kama dia.
Bibia kama.
The Yamias more fire. Our Father, holy is the name. Bibia did an acquaintance. And let me take we were Blasters, the senior national team Blasters of Ghana. Senior, I used to hate him. Say, players be our professor. Any umumu share agukensi anope wa Adom TV. So much say undeserved players. Ye free umu Blasters. Undeserved players. Players are umu semfata. Players are umu semfata. Which say enyadi ose Ghana Blasters ye free umu CCR. Anasi ye umu Blasters. But ye free umu at the national team. So hurting, so hurting the more my supporters, Ghana football loving fans, Blasters fans, Ghana Fujina. Dear, just a hard ye pan. You understand? And Blasters, it deserved better. Just a Blasters selection. Or say, papa. Or say, dear. I mean, so Ghana ni bieni because of our performance. Just as we see a bobo no, ama ya Jacob, bobo no ama Blasters ya kono, umseti ni Yes, ye Bokrani, yes, say, Kura say, yes. Blasters with you. Your manager be a coach. Utimise, oh my, offer the best of players almost sepata. And you, ma, almost semfata. Coach, I Juma, coaching in a technical team, in a scouting. Almost me up to Omubuasi, I fit Ghana talent. Oh, if he outside, if he just we are see Bepia and Mama players win and ya dear with me for Ghana for you say your mobile blasters because your players be play be as do the ball. So a baby situation or say a coach manager in the deal or new woman or new muye officials and paying for it is a so-called football people. A two musum be deal no more Badwam nanka manager no afa coach afa players papa ma blasters make players papa yes obi o sepata na o current blasters here ka clear bi enu mo sepata se bia also mobile blasters ka clear bi ne sepata even mobile blasters goalkeeping say a problem and blasters goalkeepers step usu football mu uti football ati wa bobida another way supporter now also current blasters goalkeepers uji tum so mo na the best war Ghana ha next Ghana you need players be you need goalkeepers just say o man ankasa you need goalkeepers you need players because enye no kure blasters because you free players almost sepata Ghana our talent Ghana our players for blasters player man free blasters player because our agency what you know be a what what they don't players what they for players and free players and not blasters because or your cat or your penny because or your executive member because so-called football no ubetimi our football manage football but now untimi manage players and other we need players only players are almost self-fantasy or so mobile blasters but because we did play our own team now we pia players at the blasters no money bread because though sa average players we said that na mo manage wo mo mo do mo blasters because mo benya mo ho aton sa players no abuti na mo nyeska o ta si sikana ayi mo fom na mo pena mo fa fa blasters coach papa yes blasters ye free players o mbetimi abobo ama man ye ni age no sa sika pe basa no amunye transparent no mo ma sika no mu na ho krampo kuntabuo mu na ho eno na edi nya ewo eye Ghana blasters e bisi ne ene 41 years now blasters intimi AFCON African Cup 2023 ene bie ene we are seeing bie football konenim pa football konenim ye so le ani boost ye pese de wo ye hu say wo kudus ye wo Jordan ye wo party tete ye pese ye su ye wo football konenim pa wo de Ghana blasters shebola yebo ball enye fe ball unhu game party bi unhu se team we die omuko AFCON ye be pa wo Cote d'Ivoire team we die omuko AFCON ye wa rehye mu ye wo gidie se omubeko akokodin akọ finals akọjika se ye suro class blasters we se no musi ball mu bonti ye gwin ho se blasters bit me qualify with group na ye wo Cote d'Ivoire AFCON African Cup na ye group no teams na no more ye gwin ho se ye bit me qualify 4 times African champions I produce great footballers and administrators eti mintias ya na mum ye ni kura mai ho Adai na mum ni no kure mum pese blasters na your manager pade na ye nyina ye dia no e bibia be ye fair transparency just say utum se player ni ba no ni bo ye frɛ na ye frɛ no blasters selection ye blasters players ye frɛ o mu no ebi enye ebi nsem fata so bo blasters na how long we have koso at the blaster selection aye agency selection agency call up me manager nie me official nie me get nie me just say how long any you be koso say national team blasters of Ghana you mini class 41 years now going after you timini na your problem they say one of the biggest problem pan selection because ubekwa ko fa coach ubetimi manipulating which say ubetimi atire ne no onye coach awunsuno coach ubetimi na your business e football mu oso me coach blasters when there are coaches out there the past players man you betimi dey to mu ka mu my blasters but you rely on cheap coaches trainer scout to be about 10-15 years to be amfani coach ni akofana ba because you betimi manipulating amana your blaster selection a favor your officials. Eye to ba e di enya afko ya yekui ma blaster selection beto osisi a o manu e chete be yantukwa obi ante no wase adentia the selection de beto wa anya obi ante no wase ba ku mienu bi ba dodo na ade o senti ye tia say yes we many players we must fata to mo blasters 1 p.m. metwa fire okay enyina e beto aso
okay
fire
for fire. Okay, Patrick Wasaje, my countryman Sungo, not in a casse, or the a Sungo stick, ne a quada and a pencil, and common also at Major Bidubesia, but Sansum say Kingdom Heba and a Kingdom Home Estate, woman attached to Kingdom, at the Kingdom Galibitas, and a Kingdom Gallic Capsule Saba, a Wabadu immune system, and prevent disease from entering the body, and no point lower blood pressure, no cholesterol, no face, reduce sugar level, no, and some woman and one study adorinano, a room come Emma Mojam 18 as a Gina A. But that sober bar shops, ne pharmaceutical shops, also per Kingdom Gallic bitters, ne Kingdom Gallic capsules, a bit and wow. Kingdom Jensen poor caps, the Druno Memedru, a druba kubiti and bomb or boy from my best no Joha, and near Chileno, a Kingdom Jensen poor capsules, Monsan Kabi, recommended for sexual weakness, and upon what tremendous capsules, and no man dear, and no social ahifio, Nasa Amonfoko, or more Emma, Utimi Patro as a man from Rabastomuma, tremendous capsules to me Sambua, Emaneche, a so a train, Emaniama 18 to 2 year Edmond, a one can so 18 kono, and it's tremendous capsules, we have been to be Eddie Chairman, a man of Stone Tonum, Nemwa, Emaniama, and Queen Famau. Kingdom Home Estate and so essay open power beating and Santana or Suma Jodia, a Kingdom Home Estate to the Trimicado and it and Sancho Macacia, or my modern part waiting and Santem, almost security on them, and no power and Yamkania on them, and I face standby generator on them. A while no son, waiting out Cobri Botanical Gardens, waiting out Kubuti for Safari Valley Salt, nothing so waiting and Sanko. Sabent at the Quashi Hospital and into a Pomodon Sam Kanatoba, Ubenya Baby, Edwin, Ethiache for Kingdom, L053 614 9961. Now on a Kingdom phone paying for and Kumo. Within the Profiki Wallace, a good year catch back up and General, and of course, evidence based representation to the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
And as me walk over the Meda Sepa, woman, one that yes, men be out of my aim, and Adom TV bedroom as so, and they are trying common so, and they say I heard baller. Said ya best no. Said the last time be me bow mohaya young girl. You say I walk or 2 months. And I jano. Said na do run to say we did them. The pie. A powers that no you know until a boy na. A craft. Tiana sound come away ya baby me the power. BNT what's me a victim because roll on near the air talk. Into who no I could out to move. The house oh she toilet papers and they come. Then we do how a endpoint will be particularly clinic another woman in the 80 sound komoya ya we be how I drink prostate no infections stroke no diabetes ko endpoint kwa obesho amza for mo ache mo akwaba ya da se pa so bola no ho komo no hia me pa kwan be ne be fa so because they are bola they say ye hie me da se ye wo nra bi wo ho a obetimi ahye nra bi nso wo ho no ma untimi enhye ebi wo ho a ye si aerosol ewo eno no chese pressurized gas ewo
nti wo fa no te say mosquito spray a ye di kum ntontom say wo spray sa spray no say esan men kwhye no
okay
deodorant ana spray a wa wo di gu ho eduhwam a wo di gu ho no say ne kan no esan wa men kwhye say your paper toilet papers bi ne book bi a hu hia no wa prapra na wo so wo hye no a enu de ye kakra bi na wa hye nti sasa ne o no fama bola ma no anasesie wo fom ye nhye na nkofo bebre gada sa ne ma ne nyina no omosi omohye se wo hye sa ne ma na etime hye wo ankasa efi se enu anso wo gas ewom nti esan se no wo gas wo mu no nti no sa gas no so ohu se ejaka no pe onu so pese opie nti esan se opese opie no ntena fa akoni nti ohu se etime to te se nia etuo eto no baki po etu sana etimi tu ehye wanim etimi tu hye watade bebi etimi tu hye emi bi me nka mo yaw oba fefefe osi okosra ne nana ho na oprapra ne nana edem no prewie ye no
akraketwa
na odibegu ho na osi ohye na odimanchi so mu apena san bi wom de tu hye no sa o wisa keke enti mesremo se mo hye bola sa nyama ni nyina mu yiyi film bibi bia deodorant mosquito spray sa nyama ni nyina aerosol ni wo mu bia mpacho mu yiyi film sa kans ni na mu yiyi film na mu hye mo paper no ya ka no se mu betutu form na mu de ahye ho na mu de be ma bola man na ode akọ no akwakotu egu a eno so ebeboa ye bebre fi say ye bibia ehye nkrofo bebre enti yenhwe saade ni yie dia me pese me di soso eye chemicals a ya ye di gugu ensuo bottle mu edi sisi ho so ubehwe picture ya me kure ya ubohu se akwala no edu ba bia chemicals no wo no e na wakọ akofa iti se gu ensuo bottle mu na bibia akwala ne kokofa obenom
bakaze ensuo
iti se ya acid ne wo mu de wo mu bia se creation ede yo obo so kofa ya na wanom onum ya bo se ni minimu nyina hye iti se ye di bibi sa esi ho no mu e wo chemical ne ye di gu ensuo bottle na bibi mu a na wunya konko bia fenguma fegum ba bia akwala ne nsa enka sani obetimi de nsa akwakoka mesremu bebre
ya da se chance nyambo e beto aso ya da se pa nti mesremu bi nya ya hya no so pani mu kura no se ya ede kwa na ida se pa zo na se wano udugu bottle water bottle ayi mo hwa wo especially we fi hu kakra wo senior mana wo fogya si baabi na obi kofa ti mesre omi ehwe ni yem kwado munim nyansa o ba fa nyansa komode no anya wa hu bibi na fe ni minimu nyina bebre ba ya ha areho yen fancy ha na ochina so ye beto aso tie ni yie men fa ni agro na onim bre bi beto tu tie ni se na wo ka kire wo nyansa ni na ye boye hu ba na ye o ni se one day ya hyada nante bra so wo ba visit abehwe ben se fo no bi apesa obaye o mado yo ya wa bra behwe yo enye easy ti ya yen hwe hu ni o kire nyame ya adoma ye be share end point for me party clinic na daroma ene de bro
aduma ya de o Joseph mitihwe ya na menye ni pebie mitihwe ya na ma me mfingi na ebubusi na mi su be frem ya agene ka already aduma ne so
Sunday
Material, me baby.
Sunday be a guy.
Mali say one minute, my brother me family home cano. A man who see that you bring him. Abra me family home can we say. He wait there one. I don't know. Ala ta mami. Wako yano. Hey. Tama mo pe jari akonya by this time. Bring ya ba onko pe aya plastic cha ye gonya. Onko baby. Still na pe jari akonya. 20 Ghana atama me. Atama me anopa mama buafu. Mary ama me buafu dada wose me manyim no nti atama me kate ko ni mama wati. Atama me wapa akonya 20 Ghana. 2023.
Ani ko hu. Akwazu we design mu bubu nua no nkeka mbo mu afama wo. Abusuafo. Mami nchia wo. Fremi Joseph utimi fremi Jo de Capi. Na no me wo ho na Mary wo fremi se. Wa fa afro. Na me say hey Mary. Wo se da wa fa afo. Wa bra me fa me ho wan kan wo. Abusua sem no wo wan wo abrusu. Mejine ho a me ntumi wonte ase. Mai se me ko Minister Welbeck wo na kwa kasa se meles wonyem. Abra me fa me ho wan kan no. Wa se yen shia 16th of December. Our National Theatre wono. Me se me twabo no. Tate Ghana wo bia wo batua wo ba beti asem no bi. Ko asem no wo ya me wan abrusu dudu. Hey. Ma hwenya me ani mu anso. Wan ka hwe. Busy. Me teach you ma fa nyina wa bubu. Minister Welbeck ni fie me si me free through from the straight march from bugim. Me fin na me ka say we shift. Me ni pejua ni mo wa ya shift cultivation. Hey. So what about na? Hey. I want what you me so me what do me? Bent me wan ya adwuma. Ma pa wo be kwa wa wade me. Awo wate agum. Na awo wade bi say. Awo wate agum so. Ada say me no be ba wa wade me say. So ka so ade enche na nsuo water. Mami akoyan.
Joseph.
Wayamia. Nyashio.
Joseph. The carpenter.
The carpenter de Ayamia o. Woman. Hey, na hifana. Hifana ni no wafri waba.
Me na no kwase.
It's na wa wade me no. Ai.
Joseph.
Me nyangupo kasa.
Now me say.
Hey.
Mary, oh yeah, we yellow no. Corner of fan.
Hey.
Joseph, corner of fan.
We are sure say nyangupo we na wo kasa yi.
Joseph.
Hey.
David the ba.
Hey.
Me say corner of fan Mary.
Yeah. Nyangupo mati. Nyangupo fa.
Mary nia ehye ni yemu no.
Hey.
Hey. Eye me hum kron.
Hey.
Ena enyimo no.
Hey.
Inti Joseph.
Nyangupo.
Emo bin dadao.
Hey.
Ko nakofa oba bono Mary.
Nyangupo mati. Nyangupo mpacho mati. Wa ma wo wade me. Awode me so once wa hye wode me. Nyangupo fa me boni chame. Meje afro no. Nyangupo fa me boni chame. Manya ni ye. Mele. Ye Yesu tiase. Yesu tiase. Nyangupo wo so na wo kron wo tiase. Why now can say Yesu oni ho? Osmosis. Why now can say Yesu want tiase? Yesu what tiase. Hey. Osmosis wada oh. Hey. Yesu what tiase. Bomo me na me to him way what? Hey. Yesu tiase. Awa wade me. Awurade wo su na wo kro mi ana me kan so me bua ma twe asan me frɛ Mary hey Mary ayo me ana me kan so wo bua waye nyankopɔ mati hello Mary fa boni chame me jona me kasa me nji afro no Nyankopɔ woni me akasa no pe awo wade me melo wa hefa hia bo wate me boa meje oba waje nkwa me ne papa na Yesu ma be de se wade mele wo papa so wade se wade Joseph ayami ameje mele yo ene 60 fu hia me National Theatre asem no ye nya wanka bata ati ne dia wo betwa me dase hey abusia enti anai
2023 sɛ nyankopɔn wane wo kasa enti wo bɛtie hwɛ sɛ ne nyankopɔn wama wo ade Joseph me wo pupu che oh nyankopɔn enti me bia phone lines no 0302 211 7024 so nyankopɔn no kasa wo bɛtie ye mu bebre nyankopɔn wane ye wafa ko kasa nso wo ntie wasi PRO and a men fa de yin coffee and kodi and a men fa de yin coffee kodi where be coffee and pedu coffee to kokoma Sandra ninge nyankopɔn ni voice maybe a phone line nyankopɔn wa ma wo ade me nanso we hye wo ade me 0302 211 7024 me tishi still na me sisi no wa achia mama Maya style bina me wo bi wa frɛ me on frɛ na mon ka sɛ me bi kwa ena nyankopɔn ama enya jama moto wa agwanaga emu edu kama mia papa wo bi wa ba homa ne so ana mo ame 16th of December yengina wa ba hia wa National Theatre wa no mu 5 pepe na wa atena se 7 no wa ba be yi a play no wa akire wo kuma wudufo Christiana woni waka ho Matilda Sari wono so waka ho mi bedwa mu waka ho oboy wono so waka ho enti abema mu showdown akisi ni wa ba so hello akisi me
hello Joseph
oh bra Johnny akisi me morning na he na wa frɛ me wa free
me ba so make a free se hwe be kwa western of na aben me wa batampa ne peswa so be kwa oba hema
hey akisi me catch na say one high bus one person hwefo nyina one time one bra 16 for National Theatre why
Papa Joseph mpacho mate why
yo na de ne yakopon no kasa wa betie
Joseph adam me catch Mary e wa fidi aso say emfa ho se de Yesu be kasa kire me e na bire mintie 2023 mintie say Yesu o kasa kire omo Israel for ni Joseph no toma na mom na 2023 sembe Jesus Christ on toma na me mame nti de mu ye de me kiss me no matter what of e kro me ni ho adi nkire me mintie menye
akisi baba de net ati be ni so
tabati woni so akom
me free mood nim ei
me da say
enti nyame no kasa still akisi won te be da say so friend
me da say
e wutu say mu bebre no say ya na etie yankopon ne ye kasa ye ntie yankopon no kasa true instincts ani ade bi ho akoya yetimi ka che o ade we menko obeko ehu na menfo before for hi good morning hello good morning
Sister Sandy.
Hi, me pacha odini baby out free.
Sister Sandy 2 p.m. ni o me kasa free Asante Mampong.
Hey, what we am ashe me.
Ade, me pacha 2 p.m. am Asante Mampong mi mu ye pacha.
What you say? Eh.
Na ko se ba me so Sister Sandy.
Hey. Me am
multimedia angasa ko anya mi nhira mo.
Amen.
Adom FM for defend ma me afi na me kra. Ani aje.
Wunya nguye.
Minya na ko so sa Sister Sandy obi a 16 ye ba carols yi.
Jo. Eji asema me bi say na ne say so nyankopon no kasa woti mponi na wodi so.
Oh nyankopon na me kasa na woti say wodi so. Because Sister Sandy say woda na wo so ndaye na say etimi bamu dia. What I say, what that so Diana say to me Bomudia, me 2 p.m. there, some I can say, Yankopon, Eka, a dear, and the air would do so. And not dear. That the ultimate son die, who said, no, that I am soon, you know, SMS say, Yankopon Becassa, and so this say, me 2 p.m. say, me almost have yes, alone, Yankopon Becassa, say, me, the men, someone, Christo Moa, SMS, me, Cassamen yet.
Okay.
What I say, Sandy. I know the sanity.
2 p.m. on the 16th, yes, on the 16th of December 2023, our National Theatre by 5 p.m. No, now what's not 7 media no, so and yes, I feel near by Adom TV awards oje ya magana for ne who say Jane na Christmas here carols night. Mami for before phobia ba home so hi good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa show Dini baby our friend me free.
Josephine, Josephine,
Josephine, miss me Joseph. Nice. Okay. It is Yamino Kasa Uti. Now, what's in Pun Weddy so?
I'm okay.
Okay, now, quite man, so the father, Yamana, will no Kasa on Joseph Kasai.
A father,
okay, that's nice. It is 16 Tebeshia home.
I bet your pa.
Penny 2 can home, Josephine, Penny 2 can home, Afabra. Why?
You might have been fast to become a maba.
Now, you made anyway.
And then I may passion no me person me send the day in a location.
You were National Theatre. National Theatre, 16th of December, Saturday, 5 p.m. You know what's now, Sister Joe? But I do my bye.
Bye.
That's it. It's in Yami Adoma, Jumediano. I on the 16th of December. I am a birthday in Timon Shannon so. Okay, my birthday, I'll be Kaisia Carol's night. 16th of December. I see, remember that 5 p.m. Now, what's not a 7 day? Now, you made you know. But her favorite TV personalities are walking kind Bible. Yanam way, and Pedunim say Bible quite in be muda. But surprise, you are Safotia. My kind be that day, my birthday, my kind. Yame Adoma National Theatre. National Theatre. I want to meet you because my mefa Hilda. Hi, Hilda. Good morning.
Good morning, Sister Sandy Joseph.
Straight up. Where guy. Now, but you're not from me, friend of Hilda.
But you're not free Asante Achumagogo.
Hey, me crom ni ho.
Aye.
I want Papa free Asante Achumagogo. Ma me so feel latte.
Aye, I'm not the crew.
Straight up, no fa no. Straight up. Eti ngame adoma me da na be hu 16th no ho.
Me ba try.
Me shop nipa be 3 bi kan ho ma me o.
Me ba try ma.
Na nyame no kasa Sister Hilda ba cho wote.
Mpato ne me kasa wodayim. Na ego ho na wenti a so we bi ababa aso no.
Catch up mo me kanigna. Sa?
I remember the last time I called baby, Dayum Yame Katat me but me fino. I'm a navy of Comuno. All of me just say, oh, Yame, only Yame Katat will do cheap.
Okay, Medasi.
More years own person between.
Yes,
Medas.
Sister Hilda, what Cassava,
Medoria, she and young question 9 lessons and
what I see a come out stars in the bay play, no come so the A. I am Popo home. Or when I baby straight up, me crown for one round, my pictures, one brand. I say, bye. It is 20, any or one eticopo. 20, any or one will be some or 1 year, dear, beside an amamiano pay. Send Nana or 1 egg dear. It's a summer dindy, any aboarding and a num. It's a mistress in Yameno Casta. I yet see. Nabra 16th of December, National Theatre Honum. Nakuma wood stars, no, or Mama may play no, and Mao. Yeah, they say. Yadi asoma me prapra kwen mama main stars no ankasa ezi yame adoma play na ankasa de showdown play ne ba be ma no 16th of December 30 cedis pe ticket to be nya bi wo Joy FM Fondex digital ticket nso meka ho asem ahyo emre pemu no it we de man fa djuma de ni nsi na me koye ma me akonya Felicia Basso Felicia we the last caller Sister Philly good morning lampa sho hina afre me fi anope
but I'm from Free Testament.
Oh, straight up here. That's nice. Sister Feeling, I'm no kasa with you. No kasa or kwine benzo.
But only me kasa ochimu. Dayemu.
Okay. That's nice. I would this today.
Me patonze.
I would this so.
Me paton.
Oh, okay. Me dey ready ase. Na 16th no ba wa henfa.
16th no na me pese me call National Theatre because of Adom 9 less.
Now per se. Bibi abebo.
Me pese me nkoba na me hu se na menya ticket no.
Ankasa see wa hey, wo kwa the test no hey ya obenye. Me so bra Joy FM Fondex so no. The get out ticket so ho no because wa hwe pagem. Ya bebo body get out ticket ni na e dia maw. If you ada 1st December, if you work on ya bebo body amaw why?
Me ba show you, me da
say, Sister Philly me hwe wanim.
Me ba show you.
Enti abusia ha na me de na dwumadie no. Ebesi egusu ade maw kwaso aka say fiada a holiday a farmers day Friday 1st of December a holiday farmers day you know how we do ahaya fidua kese mu begem dear kwen ya de pepper me in the sister Sunday be a guy Joseph Masaura mudu ni mu me de mabapon sister Sunday be one pe kofi ampedu dachi hini me da wonyina wona se Frank PRO Edem Master Thomas na fe was Moses was bobo sama ho wa ya adwuma no nyina abusia ma pon nyame aduma ebesa hia wo ho me fi no wa abubu ya basa wa hia mama bye
tonko do Badom TV Badwam eso na de edu so ne won komo bi wo ho ne mo ma men kan chro sesnet seed no ye gusua ye bo ho da ro sa wa wo ye wadwuma na sa won sign e up atru me ka se ye de fa ho kodom snake seed na wo so enya so mfaso na de ho odin okada rider ho odin carpenter mason utime koba fashion designer mesro cross ikanibi na ubenya 50-60 no wabre abrabo no mu agode ama wo ho sa sika no e na beboa wo yenkotie snake seed na yeba yebeto aso
Nipa usapa awo kona ho jimu ewo maye eye 31 years enfihia eduasa baako pe enye se wonni do ne mpanyin fie so nemum atoranchem to no wa kwantimfi etiputupu na wo so kona ho jimu na esanse na ode ne ho adom snet enhihia e friend se seed nti busumi bia onyane sika a obedi kopem so obeto anananom ewo nse seed eyen hihye ya snet yaba ama ankwankwa wo ye wadwuma sade be ya sekobasa atorenchem si na so went me anu wo mpanyin fie so na wo so ko wa homejema onkoye mobo na onkoye toson enti trotro driver taxi driver motor rider wa wudidwa ankwankwa wo ye wadwuma fa wo di snet seed hihye ye mu sade be ya wo so onkoye mobo abra atorenchem atowo wodi ane se bosome aduasa ensie mu no utimi tua bosome dumie no kra udem seed hihye yi wo so betimi anya ho mfaso simonten kache abusia kache ayonkonom obro no sofo se snake e di seed aba obia mfa no wonyim bi sorry enyumapuo wo betimi atomonsa afresnet no maba abamma moncheche efa seed ni bia no snake e hihye friends seed eba wo ba wo ye die ntia eye wo daache fan personal
Shanon so sesnet eye wo daache nti fan personal pa personal mu odin ade bi eda wakoma so no fa snet ne sa da beboa wo daache hu no hu da na me wo bi nua ba fia ebo anadwo ebo ama yeboa ewa ha sei wo free Kingdom Herbal ne Kingdom Home Estate aropa ye ne ba bedi nkomo afa Kingdom won niam ahodo a won mo eden so won the real estate nso aka ho bi oba papa no pa me mo achen
mejo so
se bibia boko de de nyame ase papa Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom ginseng power capsules yenti eni hu nkomo ne wi a ye de estate no so ato aso
Stefia ma me na wase na me ma wahwefo nyina achen emfa won mo Kingdom Herbal Center ekasa Kingdom Herbal Center ye na ye di inupa miensa de abedwama so over 20 years in yedro Ghana for ajatumpa ye de Kingdom garlic bitters and capsules de aba enu nie we no eyensuo bitters no na we no eye ne capsules no na we no no insuo na adwuma ba ko na eye
okay
na se capsules no so na be no adwuma ba ko ye mfemfra no obo on mo pensuo obo on mo petopaye no
yo
na empempi no aya na ye kase immune system e ka immune system ai de Nyankopon hye da bo etu ni pedua nim se wodi ne ye strong a ekutenya ne wa bebre ya renta emmo ibon mo se ya rebo me kwama no maduro me ho atome eno na chese immune system na kasa no ahoden ewum na enei ye didie ye mframa homie mu bibia mu ya de enti aya na du ba bia immune system no chimato ye de eba ho na ye weak eno na Kingdom Herbal Center edi no pam we aba Kingdom garlic bitters and capsules no wenye binum a emo ahoden sonko ema immune system na ahoden no ekọ high sa immune system no ema chese yade ye mo basa obu hono so a na oye dwuma kakra no wa ye mre ne ho twetwe no bo ma bo sanwa na de da wontini mu a moje ntumi ne afusani yomu a doctors kra me ye hu say ema stroke ye de echo wadro eni
Kingdom garlic bitters
and capsules no na enipa bon fa do so ntino wo hwe ye capsules na
se wo bie ano a ya sheda tro kingdom e de egu ho se na ebe ya wo ko dwama so na wo to bia wo be hu se ye die no enie kingdom egu so ti se wo do na se kingdom ni ngu ho a enye no hu se ye fake ti ye die no enie senso na tablet no esi akono de pa ne num so de easy pa
se we enya nyonyonyo bi
de bi we no so num no so de edaboko eti adro we no ma mo ahoden so nkoma wotum de adwuma ebon ho ba fian ne wa bebre ho e na afen so ne se ememma adabidwo ma ye mre wo mpam sebe be me bi wo ho no mo a tese se ka no beyi na so stafia eni ji eni enti wadru enie eye new kingdom ginseng power capsules we no eye memedra be me bia sebe anope wutie mi anasa wo hwe no se wa ye mre wo mpam obo no ma wo disi ani naja otofom obo no kwa sebe ni kwa kodonsui intumi kwa empagya ahoɔden enim wadro eni ema extra power ena sad se ema wo extra power no so no bo ma na enkwamo na ankasa no a ewo eye sime no ahoɔden na bafom aya ne mpem sorry aya ne mpempi ne eye se we ma ne na enwo nso be ma behwe mu no
na ye wo a
ebia ne enkwama no konkonti ba na se ru oba ne mu na ma wotumi fire funu no wode na ahoɔden wo fom emo kwa apechepeche no aka kwan so wankwa nkubrem wadro enie ena afen so ne de emaduro e de aba se do mi da bia menum bi oyo ba ma kan for me ma bebre oba bi ho no ma se bi mpedo se infection tete ne pa obi infection tete wa age wa himfi ho no ma boso ache wadro enie en Ghana fo ne ye bibifo ne bu ho no maduro no beto wonom a oba start se wodi ho adanse adanse de ne bebre bo mo so ama menum ye no me ho atome me se ma me koso no enom me ni ho adanse fa ne tremendous capsules yes we no tremendous capsules ya ye dia memma
ya mankwa
na enu but be ma na eto e de memma no na ma ne so ato ginseng no
capsules
yes ye ntim adwuma e dia ma memma it oba bi infection tete won wadro eni we ye infection ho ye no
no so ye topaye
ye topaye ena no so ne atwa kingdom e di ehu hu ena afen so boma ne bosome so an fichikom owo how bebre ewo mu nsebuo no emba kakra na beba na ya se ewe no wonum eye tremendous capsules a yisa wo how ni na efri ho e ma wo flow kama wonti ayase ya obia e wo ho no mo esiesia yimfie ho no mo enu emi ense ni na no ya bomodin a no etu apete e wo dwama so wo chemical shop pharmacy shop ni herbal shop bia wo Ghana ko ni ntwiade Kingdom Herbal Center Yenupam Yensen Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Capsules any tremendous capsules eye medro ginseng eye herbal no so no enso eye mema dia ukwa abenye bi ato afei so no
capsules
yes obo ma na wutie me na upe bi atu do so poma kwa akoto a ye main depo no ye wo eye Kimberley Avenue Okenshi Drug Lane ewo enkina he ya ukọ ho no mo a eno so kwa obenye bi na wonso watumi etu hyene so say aduro no to a bomodin ase de ye tablet no ana capsules no bonsi atwo Kingdom sani be ya be hu say ye duro no this afia me say wokokwa na entwo Kingdom because ye brand ye duro
sa report
sa ye tumi di eche because e mo bi me say ye adwuma ma ye e say aduro ne ba ya che it no utobia na wonso ahwe ni wo nom nso a na wanum ni ye sani be ya ya die no yes enom enkase medi ho adanse intimeja ne aka na shempase
ho to na no ja ato
me se wo ma bi frɛ me oh sister ma me nu bi me ho ye ho no mo kye me ma me koso no so ho akye awie na me se da bi no na enche mo yes sani be ya yes
my number no ye wi a yakọ estate no so
yes Kingdom Herbal Center ye number wo be frɛ ye si so e bi asemi se bi ana se nkomode bi wo ho no mo a ye office line no e ye 03 967 313 mi sense subim 0303 967 313 which screen so so ya tro e de go betumi afa e na obesan so afre yen e wo 0536 149 961 0536 149 and also Freya and also bejo Kingdom Herbal you put that today see no challenger na and also no afi mama fa wo Kingdom Home Real Estate
say Kingdom o de adan aba
amene hye bebre na so aba ho essence nsu tonso fo mo odin also bo ho no pempi no asase na kasa kodi nwram ena de wo krom so kakra nso asotrobo ene manso sem ewo ho na ba bia wi aso so bia me ka se opesa wo bobra na se opesa wo tena ba bi no so mdwo titu se wa wo fie die pe ba bia so mdwe wo na Ghana ha titu nkra ne patam akropon ho no side de so mdwe ho pa ite Kingdom Home Real Estate no ya sheda jasase yantam ya kasa kwa we so asase so de eja unim twan ewo akropon wo Salata Junction ho no mo aye sisi dan am ye twa fence we na adia egu ho security warriors go so ye the CCTV camera ni na nsuo enyam ahoden ti wote ho no mo a say yes
generator kura so
ewrade the standby generator pair wo so wo ho na ewo krom ntinu wote ho na aye obaatan a ba bia person do ba ko school kropon de we ubenya e de ama wo ba hospital ben e ye tete kwa ahye hospital wote fia say wo hu say hospital ye so ye den ebe wontino ho no so no edan ye sie wie 52 bedroom apartment e kopim 7 bedroom de okwa ene we sabe kebi ene edan kona so ko ebri guest near high school in town wo penso ya just asase yantam na abi ameno so asisi dan bi e wo so na edan de e ma no eye de kwa ne senkatasem eye geniu etu wa ma no ne kwa nya fe na abe ye busua wo fa de kwata asase si dan wa nya obi de asokwa abeda ne wa chenchena eti bomodi ase ya nkasa so be ya dansefo wo ho oba won krata aye ready na chese wawa ko fie ena nye fie so afa ni start yes there be
see a paint my
kan wo wie ya na asesa wo ne ma ko
no do ne ma be
ena me do ta se ye twade agu fo wo hwe kitchen na hwe ewradi nyankopɔ ofe environment so de wo kia Omura everybody e wo say nyunyu wo say Ghana sikafo ye mampanifo so mu na ho no nkotena
ene be do ne won
amukọ etin wo te ho no mu a wasom adwo dede bia so de eyade a ebi eni ho no mu etimi kanfo Kingdom Home Real Estate edi amount na eye number no eye 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 and at 0555 612 611 0555 612 611 mama fa kakran so se enhye onso bo odma na wote baabi ifie ne wote mu no afono no antem ho kura afono no na apese wo tina ekropon na se briyeda no mu bia se wo frɛ ye number e gu screen na se na wo fa na obai officer ye wo Eastegon Shiashi bebia Kingdom FM ye wo no ekwo na ne ye wo eti se wo ba ne ekokohwe wo fie na o ebia matena ha che atamala matra spinters a chentim besa mi tu fili ho eno no se kropon de bi na wo pa na se bread obekọ ho u tu su dan ni bia ne ye de atoto wo dan ne ho ti se bia na ye de ne wo soro kakra na wa pagya de take tu abi atoso na ntini aswape ne ye afa wo de no na wo so ba je de no na watinam tin we ye hye ye so a Kingdom Home Real Estate de aba e boa pa
mo si ha amena so asa enti Kingdom Real Estate and Kingdom Herbal Center and ayete one more and can obekwa ne awie na mekwa ba mo foforo so wachi ye ba ye betwa so
unim senipa osapa a okọ na homgye ewo maye eye 31 years enfinhia aduasa baako pe enye se wonni do ne mpanyimfie so nemum atoranchem to no wa kwantimfi enti putupu na wo so okọ na homgye na esanse na ode ne ho adom snet enhyehyia friend se seed nti busumi bia onya ne sika a obedi kopem so obeto ananam ewonse seed enhyehyia snet biaba ama ankwankwa wo ye wo adwuma sade be ya sakobasa atoranchem si nas went me anu wo mpanyimfie so na wo so ko wa homgye unkoye mobo na unkoye toson enti tractor driver taxi driver motor rider wa wudidwa ankwankwa wo ye wadwuma fa ho di snet seed nhyehyeye mu sade be ya wo so unkoye mobo abra atoranchem atowo wodi ane se bosome aduasa ensie mu no utimi tua bosome dumie no kra udem seed nhyehyeye wo so betimi anya ho mfaso simonten kachira busia kachira yonkonom obro no sofo se snake e di seed aba obia mfa no wonyim bi sorry enyumapu wo betimi atomonsa afre snake no maba abemma moncheche efa seed ni die no snake enhyehyeye friends seed eba wo ba wo ye die ntia eye wo daache fa me personal.
Memwakwa aba meda se o Adom TV Badwam Shannon so se snake seed no so mfa ho enhyemu a fa ho ehyemu bi ene ya make say fa na personal fi say ye wo daction Black Friday no ekoso na ifiada ebe trimika na call Franco Trading Enterprise Funds papa efie ene ho niam bi a wo koto wo Franco Trading Enterprise no ya teso ho mu chemu aduana 40% into mobile phones, air conditions, fridges, speakers, washing machines, television, inches, ni nyina bi wo Franco Trading Enterprise Funds papa fie ene ho Black Friday Mr. Fa ho ejimu nurse sie ya make say Franco Trading Enterprise or Funds papa fie ene ho for Franco Trading Enterprise was 0246422338 0246422338 and 0555939311. Now, when a Franco Trading Enterprise for any encomo. Piwak Natural Health, Woma Droya Bako, 3P garlic mixture, 100% garlic near dear yen Sobian Caho, and a Jabian so and Caho, and T. Wunu, a year 3P garlic mixture, Mr. Tobinanum, not boost your immune system, no amount. Say immune system no one hodia yare bia be ka dem won yare say mojabro so wo so a wonom 3P garlic mixture no ebia obohu sen sakraye abamu oba obu nsa na wote yawa wonya 3P garlic mixture no bi enomu a wona okro no wo ho na wonan wonsa ayetitiri nom 3P garlic mixture no ebi say stroke and stress ene hawa 3P garlic mixture wonum ebeboa o kan hye 3P enu ododo no bi okofisam ene Kens Walk sanso na kumasenso ubenya 3P garlic mixture ewo Danny Heba ne Colinac also eye abetsam Heba takrade amen sanso nyane eye Green Light Pharmacy ubenya bi ewo ho Piwak Natural Health ewo 0248928824 0248928824 and 0201000021 na woni Piwak Natural Health enim komo wo mu na akofa 3P garlic mixture no aba ma yenkotie snit for emra wo mu seed ne de Mr. Umfa ho hyemu afa ho hyem bi na dache ubenya so mfa so yenkotie we emra
Nipa usapa awo kona home gym ewo mayewu eye 31 years enfinhia aduasa baako pe enye se wonni do ne mpanyimfie so nemum atoranchem to no wa kwantimfi enti putupu na wo so kona home gym na esanse na ode ne ho adom snet enhihia friend se seed nti busumi bia onya ne sika a obedi kopem so obeto anananom ewo nse seed eye nhihye ya snet yaba ama ankwankwa woye wadwuma sade be ya sekobasa atoranchem si nas went me anu wo mpanyimfie so na wo so ko wa homegyema onkoye mobo na onkoye tosom enti trotro driver taxi driver motor rider wa wodidwa ankwankwa woye wadwuma fa hoji snet seed nhihye mu sade be ya wo so onkoye mobo abra atorenchem atwo wo de ane se bosome aduasa ensie mu no wotimi tua bosome dumienu kra wo dem seed hihye yi wo so betimi anya ho mfaso simonten kache abusia kache ayonkonom wo bro no so fo se snake e de seed aba obia mfa no wonyim bi en sorry enyumapuo wo betimi atomonsa afresnet no maba abamuma moncheche efa seed ni die no snake e hihye friend seed eba wo ba wo ye die ntia eye wo daache fan personal
no one yakachiro no fan personal na your dachi me wo Piwak Natural Health Dr. Nelson Mototi ewa ha onene Dr. Penny awakofa 3P garlic mixture aba wahanti ene nim komo dog yamu akwaba na bia agboko de enyame ase Piwak ntade de ngwa na ache ho sesa oba na de bia ba ne enso ya share guso na fine designer no ya de ayefe adaroma ade achi bia enya nipa foforo ma no hwe Adom TV ti eda ya obi hwe ne Piwak no yentie ho asem aka ho asem nso na yentie mfiri wo ankasa ho Piwak Natural Health adwumakuo adwumakuo bei
yo medals ana pe mechia Ghana for afefa hwe na no pe woti Piwak pe na wo hu se ye ni adwumakuo ba ho a kwan pa ye pe se obi bia benya pomdimpa anope se yeti ha na ejina pomdimpa ekita yen enti obetimi ashata de obetimi adware uni ofufo betimi ahia anya nkomodie ama wetimi akonwuma so a ni nyina ya pomdimpa ekita wo na kwan papa ben ye betimi aboho ban kwan papa ben ye betimi ahemokina na ya pomdimpa ekita yen ye betimi akrom ye na yetimi akoye no especially ye ko Xmas festival yimu no adafo ba ye nchen ye be ko adafo nchen se nkrofo bia ye ho mo ache nyina no ye ne omudi nkomo ni nyina gina apomdimpa so enti Piwak for adwen ho ehun se no korare enipa da se ne bia ni ho a obeka se won didi na onnom na onhome na se onipa bia didi home enom dia ye dan a efi ni no mahodo betimi aba ni padue no enti onipa betimi ayare se ye betimi aboa ma de bia da ma onipa pomdin ewie pa ya dia ene ese ye nya enwanu no bia ebetimi aboy na yi efi srade ni no mahodo a emmo ma moja entimi enya fosane yi e woni padue mu ta no ma na ye betimi anya bi akọ eni pedua mu de bia ameka say woni pedua no wo hwe yen liver na bibi te say vitamin C no yentimi produce de say yen nyafi enruba mu ana say enduaba mu na yen vitamin C enti etwa say vitamin C daily bia no yen kakra e de kọ ni pedua no emu de say na tie dia ende ye betimi atotwe say nwanu yi na yetimi de aboa e de asese ni pedua ama moja etimi e de afosane ye e woni pedua mu eno so na Piwak for nam kakra team of doctors academians researchers yaka ho abom say no kware ebibiduru a ye noa ye be fa abefo kwan so atwetwe enwanu no biara bo ma nipaduane bi peye say do Nyankopon o my fruit ene say we cancer patient we are diabetic patient we hypertensive patient okwa at least we doctor na say we dietitian I recommend fruit e dey mouth the san e tie dia and ye betimi atwetwe say enwanu no papa pa na ya boa e dey ye duro kama ama Ghana for ene na aba no say ye kan abibido ba ko a wo Ghana ni Africa ha edia kotene ebo nipa ma mojeja fosane yem e ma wo nipa wo immune system e strong pa dia na e 3P garlic mixture Piwak dia Badwam so ya de som ye man Ghana papa
sa enti media dia me kan dia to so e oba obu nsa wo te yawo me so ya pe 3P garlic mixture no binom na emwa wo yie pa o menses na plot no dog so a wo de nom 3P garlic mixture enti dia me ma kan ye dog dia biam na 3P garlic mixture eye nipadua no
de bia me kan say we are taxi driver mami ahomache wo sori ko dwamanso papa wo sori ekotena receipt mu e office ade ba ko no say moja antimi ndi enipa mafusane ya ebetimi di oyawo ade aba onipa nipadua no mu wo betimi anya bibia e fa ne numbness wo nsa betimi atriti wo nan betimi atriti wo sciatic nerve nkura no wo betimi anya pressure wo ho enti wo ho a free wo sisi call 9 ho no kura ebetimi atwetwe na wo te yaw e wo nipadua mu Piwak Natural Health say akoma na dey mu no ene na chiche mojama nipadua no say bibi ba srade bi e wo si akwan bibi ba wo si akwan akoma no ntimi mfa mogya enko ebetimi di oye ni ohaw e di aba nipadua no emu and nti wo hwɛ the anatomy of the human body nipadua no free yeti ekosi ye fam no ɛyɛ doroben ahodoɔ nti saa doroben nyina ɛsɛ yɛ boam sɛ bibi biara ebe osi akwan bia ɛsɛ yɛ clear free ho na mogya akoma no di mogya ekoma nipadua no akwa nyina and nti 3p garlic mixture ɛboaw ama mogya etimi asane awura nipadua no bibi biara ɛsɛ ɛfata ama wapomudin nti ɛnɛ sɛ mogya broso ɛhaw na ebia wo duro so for a long time but asa yare no ekọ na ba wa manage ya wo ho ti dwa wo ni subiri wa kuma ye bo pelepele wo ti bibi kito bi kona wo match wo se bam piwak sem wo do kura wonom dada no to aso nenom wonom 3p na 15 minutes wo do bi a wo no wo betimi anom aka ho na etimi abo amamoja broso no alternatively because one madu ache na hwe say menya 3p kan ho no se na yare no ye den etie de bia me kan say ye kan say eduro ya eduro ye eye bra patient na wo yare no wonum eduro no di ohun se eduro no ye ma no eno ne ye ka say eduro ya menum ye eye eboa me ana se emwa na piwa de bia kan say ye de no kwaredie nyameso e ka cho say 3p garlic mixture ni edopa uta wonu wo hu de biara esanse eduro no uto na wonum a e ma resource wankasa wo begina ho akase eduro de mete me sika kotoye no ma hu se ama me mfa so di papa ewo eye mapomudin ekwan so esichi yarefo e me kan se diabetes e sha se hawa aduane a wudi banku fufuo emu ni na sefo ni nyina ye hia neji na body need me afama yanya hoodin sa pancreas need me produce insulin na ye ntimi nya glucose no e ma ni padu need me mfa e ba na ye jinso bi tugu saa enti yesre e na no pe se ebia ye den no so te se metformin novolog insulin kwa na inject api wax say wo betimi the 3p no mpo aden etimi support na aboa ama wapomodin etimi awie papa because it's ya ba no antwe ne betimi afra wani ko betimi ato doctor here say dey dey we twa na efe so si ya mema bebre okrum ha esichi yare nti sabi wo mema asam enko yesa nti pi wax say yenya 3p garlic mix edu betimi support na aboa ama moja etimi adafo sani yenyina no ese yede ye ho gym say papa na ono okoba mabusuanya bidi maame na okoba mabusuanya bidi no yenwe o bisa wo maame say bisa wo papa say bisa wo fa say papa ofa wo ho te sen na wo wi dem mpo ate sen na yen support na de ye kan say festival yi no say wo wa chede bi che wo bia wo package wo mu tina pa ne we na wo package 3p na wo de aka ho na wo de akwakoche na inshira wo na nipa be hu say ampa odwe ne ho yi papa eye 3p na e de Ghana Africa any we as tru omo ntimi enna omo ti yawo obi tokota so a asa oni kete no eko yes papa mama a wutie na no pe piwak say yenya 3p garlic mixture edu be boy nerves na relax ye kama ama yetimi adama ya sori okuani wo be sorry the next day wanya hodin foforo wo de be kodwuma na wetimi ama wadwuma ye no etimi awie peye etimi edi amaw eye 3p na no pe piwak for ye di amaw yesre obi bia say yarwe yarwe ene oni patamfo na dro ba ko a ene krum ha eboa mpempem eboa yaresa emane wie peyem eye 3p garlic mixture nti wo na bi wo ho wo ba bi wo nyini ne skin kra eye winkle na vitamin C na wo mu no eboa ma skin no wie peyem na enyini ba ma ye nerves no nyina no eye weak nti piwak say yenya 3p garlic mixture yenfa support ye maame no ye papa no mo nyini na ahode ni ho no yenfa do pay emwa wo ma ya pomudin entimi enwie pay papa emfa emaye ene ukofa pharmacy herbal shops drugstores nyina upa bibidu a eye kroji 100% organic a yanfa nkeja na wetimi ehu se eye 3p insu a wo ho eye sa eto emenye insu a ekosa aye ene de gubi business ye no aye we eye 100% extracted from the plant na nkasa eno ene yakeka nyonyo no abomu a ama adoi aye so unique to the people of Ghana and Africa as large. Enti wo tamale na wo hwe ya fa no che eye of akojo heba opposite tamale taxi rank so mo vision echi ho pe obenya 3p ho wo wa eye mumu ne we enterprise opposite wa cathedral eno so obenya no pay bi ho wo ko fobia eye Gapson pharmacy total 2 obenya 3p na wo nkoko a eye Hillside pharmacy and Isaac drugstore obenya no pay bi ho wo a eye Albert Sam obenya 3p garlic mixture kumase furniture eye Dani Heba Colinac Chris K obenya enope bi e wo Takra Research House na AA Mensa obenya enope bi e wo ho na wo akra ha dia na wo do na Angel Heba angel heba o kanse obenya 3p dodo pa ato na etimi abo ama umpom etimi ewie peye etimi edemo numbers a obetimi afre na ede wotwetwe nkomo na wanya this number 1 organic stores in Ghana now 0248 92 88 24 0248 92 88 24 and now say 020 100 another 0021 020 100 another 0021 3p garlic mixture was it a naturally organic Arabia's rule.
That's it, dog. Yamisha, Papa Panti 3p garlic mixture na Dr. Penny, Dr. Nelson Mututi. Any edi ho nkomo no no na ye na ade e no no anso na e ka timisro tie kotie bibi foforo ma confuse you de tumi ye no waka e de a kire no menses e ba no aye bibi wo ho inflow ye ma wa me dofo no mbe na kire ofre ye kire ho a waka kire me de ohu ye e ye pa timi ma de ye nso ma ho timi to wa wo lake na ya nom bi anwumre na uhu se do ye nom na no pa na anwumre
en pa wi anwumre not yes e ovin komo amusoso ni afofo no nya tripina wo se adon de wa wo nom a wa wo timi se enye me na meka ho ase
what yes e na meka no enti ane 3p eni sawoso na ma me fa wo nso ntwem St Andrews Senior High School se no placement no aba we a private school a wo mo bo ho modern pa ye board ni day emfa ho ne ba bi abofra no wo so wo school papa de amauba St Andrews Senior High School trimika sisi ya na fa no ko wo benya bi e wa simfosu enkran ha bi wa ha ni wedu bi ase du nkwa wo ono fe mankesim shama e na fe sehwi asanwe so ho nyina St Andrews Senior High School ye wo campus ni bi e wo ho nti trimika sisi ya fa oba no bra na courses ni nyina so won mu kire bi for 0244696911 0244696911 and 0207891004. Now in St Andrews Senior High School for Akasa. Kingdom Heba ne Kingdom Home Estate and so any na Kingdom garlic bitters no boostu immune system no yare bia ko edini sun kunim sanso na bojabo so wono Kingdom garlic bitters a etumi ebrana se cholesterol and strategy woni peduano mu anom Kingdom garlic bitters and then the capsules no na entume mu ye woni Kingdom ginseng power capsules e mema dia wo mo no mu asisi yare bia beka dem stress no ma wo mo energy pa mo mtumi ye adwuma bia wo de be hye wonsa ti new Kingdom ginseng power capsules mema no nom e ma no ye de ye tremendous capsules ye no no mu a white no ne ade ha ma adwen no ni nyina so e be free ho e de amount to your ba wo hwe me wutie me sabre na infections e ba na kwa no tremendous capsules no e bi na sa infection ni nyina no enkomma na Kingdom Herbal for a day real estate nso abeka ho omo de nya afa na abeto asase no omo ato asifie no nso dada nti wani da kwan se wo pe wo fie na manso nti ama enye wakono misro ene Kingdom Home Estate for any ensawoso na wormo emmo fie ni yesida dan kanea nsuo akwan yayiyi CCTV cameras nso wo ho na standby generator nso wo ho nti edum kanea kura wo hu difference no edum na na eginam se multimedia na edum light na esiso na yekoye nim ti kokope ye Kingdom fie no bi na nso tenemu omo obi ewo abri botanical gardens ho na wono won hwe animu Boti Force nso bi wo ho Safari Valley Resort nso ho ne Tetekwashi Hospital no ene hwe animu so Kingdom Real Estate ewo Ekropon from Latte Junction no so ho no mu a obehu for 0536149961 na wona Kingdom Real Estate for any enkomo ene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne birthday former president wono na Frank Atuni de ma NDC amanyukuo no ene wanya 65 years papa nyame hira no onye okese kuzi se obeye kese pa wakoma so ebisa de Awurade ma ne mrem no hwe wo so wadifre no wafie bemu ye wo ye de ma adofo ni nti Awurade hwe no so won hira wo no fiefo nyina happy birthday enkoma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama former president aine otu Frankade ama NDC amanyukuo onkwaso enem nim se malodi na besiesi opa kama misro ya monkaye Yes, you may be fafefe amounty. Happy birthday and come out. Afe happy birthday so come mama Barbara. And when you're 80 years, wow. 80 no oh son. Also why kwabi. Aha, mama de Agnes Kwabi. Yo enti mama Agnes Kwabi. And your birthday 80. Wow. Nyame ma wo enye fefefe se ya o 90 kura se ya o 100 kura se ya a Awurade miemiemu be bia ma nyame hira na onye okese kusi se obeye kese obapa nyame nye okese unhira no ebi enso asefo nyina so happy birthday nkoma enti migina no so na me de si ha me de afia amankwa tamaklo kwasinsia ye krado the asemidika etwaso wi a o man hene kwabna sante enso betwaso
asemidika hina beka akwasi insia commander 6 karo seniatia
there be am see nyamesuro obuo odo ene besom ye man Ghana obo ade ebo wi ase chere ni enya ya ani obi na ofri ba bia besiesie Ghana de ama gimi no mienu nko a and permission be waje bre na wo hwe Badwam on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 yes streaming so Facebook Adom TV Extra YouTube Adom TV multi TV channels so nya bin so ahwe live on me fa na second say koma Kingdom Herb o na kofa Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules e de aba edwaso eye kama say me se aboa e boost immune system no ma hoden ba di padwanim yade bia yiri tia no ya kana hye eboa so masrade adoro oni padwam no esane sane nyina de free padwam de ma New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsule ye memadro eboa mema yosem ewie peye wompem besro da bia makacho se enye aphrodisiac na akofa na na oba de kwa akoda eye aduru a eyi ohawa bema wowom eyi sa hawo ne nyina frete se ne wonye tipae no akoto aduro na eyi tipae na free wonum sa de te tremendous capsules ye ma ne dia ye fancy say info na nye kama white bi ni nyina de free wo de ma Ghana ba bia to de ba kwansa be ka bia to atfofo ni kire Kingdom Herbal Center Kanshi Drug Lane bibia na free 0275 804 064 0275 804 and 0302 938 153 Kingdom or see no challenge obana so asemi di kadwumadi bro man for happy birthday call and from a former president and leader of the NDC His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. You are 65 years today. Yakupon shira no nyo kese. Kopem se obeye kese pa. Alapati obamfa nko manje online na menchiro de bi honum. Na asebi ACC ya ose nyina asoman. Ye so na etimi etusu sa. Etimi tonko so nye ba ku mi miensa enan sa. FDA destroys 4.8 tons of unwholesome product in Cape Coast. And this is not the first time. It looks as if say afibian kanke ye be kobro nyabra. Enema I expire and the buy jaso. And this time I abaso I think FDA my name is Mimi. Yeah, sometimes they Mimi. But I'm on abaso. This time no say enye officers na eyo madwuma so me call market ni nkwa na aka magu dwamo. OPP owo FDA bia. And then so on the 15th of November and I'm starting you know omko ada binim delti aye Ghana for sebio sikapem roso abaye so sa afibia do ehu bi afibia especially yakobro nyabra adai adai ye di sebio ade na akwakoto no eti ya yanwi ho kakrakra se menwie bi kra betimi akwakoto eti yanwi ho kakra se menwie bi mpo ebetimi akwakoto yeso de otisi dwomu a no asene ba ne de agum shoti is na heba ku bia FDA focus say no shoti even so me the video bi to hwe see heba ku bia at least that was in Koforidua also and what you want say you want tiase ade eti yenko na sebio ye di dwa ye boka Ye to sa fi bia enema no expire. Ye nim se bro nyabre Russia waba eti o ma hini be pre ababeto e na o ma hini be pre ababeto a because of Russia on nya time on fanhwe expire date no no ki kura time so de ko. Na nwia kwa akodi ni wayade. Wa nyame anya de wo fam no awu ni wanya de. De na no wanya. Eti sa konkomiensa na expire nko na ma se bo ba se kwam despite. Anabese dangote sako komiense na asene nko ano wo yi firi nyema na wo to mu a ene ma se butwe de na gu ana se be yemfa nipa ho do yemfa yem hihye nya adwuma ye dia bro ni be ye ni adwemboni adwemfi na ase ye ma ni ye be de ni adwo na effect on ye nua enye yasem Koma kola ko kejetia kotudu sese kwabra ne ti baabi hyehyɛ ene kwa na se tankro mu won se omo sadi expedite na kasa bon na ade ba be wonu no omo so fa eche ko fa another one extension sadi abo Ghana de se na adwenboni we mu bitrim no ano de o ano den Eti ye sheda nyanwa wase Ghana Health Police for catch the first quarter of every year biano yari amanfo de ba hospital ko animu most especially yam to yade because yakodi niema eni kwase yedie yenwe be kakra ne ksempo ne kapre ya obenyanti okonipa ene fa ko jiska duro preko atisa ne be boa ho every be se bo mabaso na me self to so asese musama intensity no anye more yes a year but I think say my entrance so the bia so mane enkotwe se ye kobro nyabra e bra no because nipa pomode nipa nkwa da bia me say o man bia the human resource eye fit no sa ma ne wodache yeti metrase masabia adwane e ba bedi e mekuye because obi si kape enti and I made list to be no chere them say companies be bedwa because list no one who do was kwebebo me Canada yentem enye your special advert one or be debre udi waso a wo ye wudi ni ye bebo odin aba Ghana fo atwe afiri ne ma woton the companies na mo kra ne ma ne ba no se list nyame ya no otena eba se ba na udi waso makwezi makat bebo ama ye beja oni ma tomo odwede na gu e fa so ye advert wa anom ye trase me ni pambone sem e ma osika wo petu mekum nipa o man kwa bra sante atena se me die mo kona mpacho mate asembi anye samla bujina pomecha na no pen CSA committee na interministerial committee na etise omonhwe we my galam say so asese no drones na som to yesi ehunu ba bia drones nafa yesi ehunu ba bia drones nafa ye bedun komo later o ma boko de
me adom bibia ikama na ozo
nyame adom
good the Food and Drugs Authority say ye bo mo na most of the time na capacity mo dodo no. That's a national service for number more training kakrabina abuama. Omaya those random checks now. I know they do it. But Christmas basa you can imagine no any pay before Kotikwan. So I think last 2 or 3 or even last year that Chihene embark with Food and Drugs Authority. And yet Chichin Kofu is it
Accra Newtown?
Be Newtown Kauna industrial area.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And go for more engage. No, most of them say ahoho. No more engage Ghana for more AY products na I expire. No more farm hono. Or more wife free on their so therefore for from farm. Ghana for na you. Yeah, obi na Ghana for na you. So Ghana is sad. That's why most of the time me taking positions it is not about Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the former president. It's about Yansu Yeboah. I'm more money so I didn't want to me because we need obeda adwumakuo biara no whether from Makola to Kejetia or Asesewa Market or Mensin Krachi from Asutifri North to Buemu no. You have a responsibility for Ghana, not for your party, to ensure so be brighten that corner now. But unfortunately, Adia AD him say pane the quest say di benya sika emfa ho ne kwan a yedi nya sika no, and oman so appreciate nipa a omanya sika, we are not questioning it. To be aspire to get money, how we get it is not a problem. Because me that say me jidi say obedi mu djuma na bia ti makokama e dey man ya transi dia mamenka o say yedi enkomo na say Kingdom Garlic Kingdom Herbal Home na Kingdom Home Estate one other man asankomo ye dey brand no chinso no Kel Chaco toothpaste so aso ya so kwanso nko so ya Kel Chaco toothpaste na dey one the Kel 360 toothpaste na ba and Kel Kits toothpaste no so about one day the original Kel Chaco toothpaste no so e dey JBD ni body tree yesisi e dey djuma kwanso nko so de no so abadwa lucky about so men ka say obi nya wa na free ade they are very important wapomuden wonsem very key say onso betimi e dey djuma ti lucky about say ade bi ada ne krankro say esi chiare mojabo so okonfichira obia ete unka and all those things no fakodan bo oniti wo gomo ogwa krom Winneba Swedro Quantimpon so one branches no all over the country. One was 0243201244 or 0277465855. Number Kel say another quality product from Samara Company Limited, Kel Chaco toothpaste, Kel Kids toothpaste, and Kel 360 toothpaste. Friend, one war 05938092227 or 0246 865798. Oko Joshua, anything paste be should be Kel Ebusian Kuno. Kingdom Herb also one garlic bitters and the capsules no. I feel once I want ginseng power no remember there and a tremendous capsules so ACC. My estate no one SCC estate of high quality. What's them in a serene environment, what you may enjoy, all you need to enjoy. Can you want some, issue want some, acquire want some, you don't have that much of a problem. A crop on right after the latter junction, Honorable Kingdom Home Estate. One in another the Okaishi Drug Lane, Obe Timisha from 0536149961 or 030-393-9987. No, what Timmy want Eddie Kita home quickly. Mameifa. These reminders into Miami Adma, Chinechi, Yakotai Nia, Bema Fifi Boafo, or Takwa, Ebra, Papa, a film, Okopen the Crabia, the Fifi Boafo, Yako, Anna, Sheu Abusha paying of Kenya number 1, a brie was a coffee, a brie was a coffee, 1 year break, 1 year to 12 gunsem, one him a duchu mambosa. Ain't Shannon so say. Obekwa akotai educhumwa musane ebrew osai kofi Kenya's number 1 hene hema ebra abusua pen hie wo abusua pen eda for nti akwantu na hyase achina kopem se yebekwa kopen ne krabia yankasa ye chief driver bishop ono so yakasa ne maame eda for nti oba pen Grace bishop ya owusu ansa ne maame da fom oba paying Grace Bedu unya 95 years. Oh wow. Eti onya me ya doma nhihye ni if you da eya chinechi ya 1st of December ana sa kwantu no so hyase ewo seche kwaman nti yenkotai eye bishop ya osu ansa echi na omoya kwanso nkoso. Well, it's a special day today for me. The man who picked me from Techiman and then changed the narrative about my life. And then Odin Aoda gave me the privilege to work with one of Ghana's finest radio stations. Lived with him for almost about 3 months. He's a very personal friend. His Excellency, the former President John Dramani Mahama. All the time, because I am forever grateful for the role that you played and continues to play. My Badwam. Happy birthday, Your Excellency, John Dramani Mahama. So proud of you. Very, very, very proud of you. On that note, my member of parliament, maybe I'm a Tewa Santimantem, another proud member of parliament. Orona Ekrakra, Yenwo, Asantimantem, Kwada, so to be precise, is a professor. Professor Kinsley. Good morning. Me papa your uncle pa no me late father. Yeah.
I mean funny car and cause
Yeah. Unbelievable pa. The be boko.
Oh, Adom.
Yeah. Good.
Doing our best. Our constituency and our parliament and everywhere. So
okay.
And we said 20th January I mean Adom. God has so for Beside Adom now.
Yeah.
I'll
try and be there and be part of your campaign
Thank
team.
You, my brother. Thank you.
Then
thank you.
Just make sure so almost a stamp of mouth.
Yeah. Now say I must say major issue why you roads.
Roads, no.
You know in Sanohado facility.
Okay.
From April. About
so April on much of the far press before sorry there anymore.
Yeah.
School no is it was and a quite a child on
I say I could job.
Yeah.
Or yes, a main road.
No.
I mean, why drains in an
okay.
I can say Obel level now they bitumen I go so.
Okay.
You say in Sonotia you come back to do
okay.
From Santasi far pre Kofa Hima and Petia so between 3 constituencies in share so quite so and Achuma Kwamoma.
Okay.
Now you know who's a massive who's a chrono a quano so we said that road no I mean Adoma Yebefuse.
Okay.
And only one of my major headaches. Say it major sa kwan befa chrome horn befa mufie ni monom sa equapre. That is a target.
Okay. Okay. Well, my next guest, he's paid his dues, especially for Ghana.
Oh, before all of them, no. Say, a former president.
Yeah, former president.
Mahama, aka Mr. 24-hour economy. Be able to be on the papa.
AKA Mr. 24-hour economy.
Our 65 years, an achievement.
Yes.
For the battle ahead, the contest of the North.
The contest of the North. I want them to appreciate that. That's all I'm promoting because they should accept it. This is how we go about it. This is the clash of Mpepe food to the country.
I'm seeing as Machano. First time in the shire. Now MP Medina. Now Chief of Staff Akosia Frema. Pario say. To go to Koya. Me Koribi Sentinel. And you know, was it a code of education? Program B. One Sunday or so. I mean the shower.
He's paid his dues for Ghana.
No, but as a member of parliament for Medina.
Yeah,
I was always work on okay, so
for NDC, so he is among the few Omaka Omoda so Ekuta the believer.
But this is take now, baby. Okay, Kwabena Hills Valley side. Okay.
But or a guy who
so
don't make a mistake. Or in what time is it?
Opposition pony. Opposition pony now.
Oh, yeah, guy.
Senior.
What you want to say? The last time promise him say what bad is over bad to.
Na say dem say me sorry anamaba.
No credit.
And na kura say enra nwumre na because
Moses no.
Sir, Moses me a member of the National Communication Team. But Obia pese me ba. Obia pe me. To me free as and say me wo power anumre.
Okay.
Ochina anopa me wa hoto.
Okay.
Anumre me wo gold.
Okay.
Ade chi anopa me wa cry FM. Enti what's I mean no me ni atem.
Yeah.
Me can't just facts.
Yeah.
Into a car I quite as one I'm so me am near by Vida.
Yeah.
Me na na parliament or ana Hilda.
Yeah.
Na no tie. Kwa be nyanso so ano wanti. Me na bibi chere na junior na.
Alaji, why have you supervised an NDC member to go on independent as an independent candidate?
Masa, do you think I will do that? Me too.
But under your watch.
How? Democrats no person ko twa ase. Enti so be person or contest and I mean say because they say me so go nti. So go for Medina and me go trans and say there be. Menko, I will do whatever I can, but you can take a horse to the river no appearance na no crisis, but you can force him to.
But the effect on another on more chances for the Medina city. Any worrying?
Oh, there be that. We are on course. And yes, it MPP bet me afa.
Medina.
My father.
Oh yeah. That's what I come. Some na beji free no. Sadiq buy.
Yeah.
I mean we all know. Said 2016 there. And yet it wasn't so cool. It was a time when I'm from any boss. Ghana pensisa. Oh, dabi. Masa. Wa nyame konkoyi masa. Na me count. Me I wish you say, was a Ghana for no. Ya no mo nwini too much about governance. Omo nwini about adiachi, menya aduane adi, menya adwuma ye, me ho to me kakra, me koda security. And no most of it no. And as I say so no we share near my quarrel now they compare. What she said, men
what one idea.
Oh, that been patron CEO baton and I dry up for that. Me bola, me start bola for check. Me we invest in 1981. Enti minya koda na mtihano. 42 years.
I started Form 1.
No, started Form 1. Posa, me founder and the first president. Political Science Student Association, University of Ghana. Me form we. Enti no, ya Bob Bra. And now, I was working with this morning group of companies. I was deputy director, NADMO. I was deputy director NCC in charge of finance and administration. Yeah, and MPP time.
I say Otie common no.
No, now what should I come out to me? Send them a planning.
That's the point I'm making.
Me Juma.
Me you come on men no. They not omunyina fine.
They are fine.
What they be some me
Masa wo kwa pass number.
Okay, so just in from the office of the from Works and Housing Minister, but was a video be and I'm saying Bruni be say 20,000.
Yeah. One kasoji also demanding. Pacho me bana mi tie nyina mi tie Bruni na ne voice.
But surprisingly na also the abem or say spurious allegation of bribery, November 29, 2023. Our attention has been drawn to a video of a gentleman by name Claude Convincer David, in which he alleges that in 2017, the Deputy Chief of Staff at the Office of the President, Honorable Asenso Boache, solicited for a bribe from him in order to grant him access to the President. We wish to state categorically that the allegation is false and evil. Honorable Asenso Boache does not know the gentleman in question. He has never met him nor had any interaction whatsoever with him. It may be recalled that this is the first time this allegation has been made against the MP by the same person. It became obvious then that there was no iota of truth in the allegation. It gives cause to wonder why the gentleman will repeat the same allegation at this time if not for evil and malicious intentions. It bears saying that the repetition of a false allegation does not make it through. It was false then, and it will be false today. It is obvious that this is a spurious allegation which has resurfaced as a result of the propaganda machinations of the MP's political opponents and detractors who wish to court unnecessary public disaffection for him in order to score cheap political points. Should the Ghana Police or the Yoko and Organized Crime Office find any weight in the allegation, we strongly suggest then that they invite Mr. David to provide further and better particulars. By this statement, a notice is hereby served on Mr. David to desist from further repeating the allegation anywhere. The MP shall, under legal advice, take appropriate remedial action should he repeat his false allegation against him. And it's signed Paul Yando, Media Assistant to the Honorable Asenso Boachi. So that's it. So we'll be there. Sure, it's gone a bit viral. And then Era David in some at a point in time, 2017, the then Deputy Chief of Staff, demanded $20,000 to assist him to see the president. And then Sector Minister through the Media Relations Officer there, but said, no could be any. That's it. I don't know. Quickly.
Okay. But seriously speaking, near me, me who dreamy because Asansuna me no. Let me feel the first time I prepare allegation. On one kasa ne response no was it is the second time. And the first time now him say no kra no. What you were dey? Master say me soro go me tie pa no best allegation we. Say me more 20,000 me $20,000 and sana my 1 2 3. Na man 20 no eno ano no ankwanimu. Na wuti ho wonye ho hwe. Now was I be repeat the second one. Papa no will say, yes, he said, the friend he can about to boa. None the next biso. Now all said and done, what do you even have to say, political opponents? Anyway, it can be political opponents within the MPP. I know Sabana Sadia and Mayedi, but Sanya Sadia, a bit difficult, say political opponents. Better baby Brody, our one na brochiri, no can ask them. And I will be a better Sabia, and me by me change, you know, and your papa bra out. Now be clear with him because I am very nasty. Already, the way our regime way has been characterized with corruption. Wow, anti-bra, maybe you are not. Because whether you like it or not, look, it is there, black and white. Say the MPP regime, has been characterized with a lot of corruption. It could be true, it could be false. To me, Sorogo, it is true. Because Homo Mubabe Kano, I one and I go forward one can say ye womo. Someone can go fight corruption. Obit is a Martin Amido. I am bra. Meaning from the same place, me con or come ho, me obame ho, me con ho da. And you know, so why in his own conco con entia kitas, shiny proye corruption. Na papa na samba be catch him say, and yes, I now tear. Me nimsa ukraina corruption, no. We premier mamia, who corruption in ma. Wow, na say up till now, obi antimi me yi mu nkyerɛkyerɛ ase a san obi a nso bɛka. Wohwɛ Frimpong Boating, Prof, hwɛ mines wɔ nsɛm a wɔka. Wohwɛ obi a otie Canada Japan. Say ye fum sika wie sika as if said there is no Ochina Ghana from the same MPP. Wohwɛ mpanimfo na ɔmo MPP ma ɔmo kana. Na kyerɛ sɛ ai bɛyɛ ade bi a manfo agye tis a man for Jedi Minia. That's what be decided away to. So, who bet me can we to so and I won't take action. You will never agree. You go all out to take action. Now, what man and saying was, no, Asaba be repeat said the same thing. After now, was I catching and impose, was I repeat here? Third one and I didn't take action. Me to me, no. This is not the essential watch that. No, me feel say there's something somewhere because. Papa na nkasa na numtuo oto akọvera the whole world. Enti no adiaba say no na unim say na we deputy chief of staff. Awaba be MP, we minister for works and then water resources and then
water resources.
Masa, untena say na yedi ba bia fimfam wa ban ho o president ho o vice untena say. Amasa di nkoso. Say wo sa man chance say one this is no we the third time one. Who better take action for what? I'm surprised.
Senior, since about check Kabila, you will be able to and yes, honorable sir go Kasano say, on the phone say about to Babawa, not Ojambiso. And you know, the allegation on for Bonimra. A bona Ojanasono is the evidence. Oka say, who influencing me with $20,000, sir. Evidence, yes, allegation.
The beauty on I'm sure this submission, Prof, ubesa ejema asesano because prof baby what do you pa no be see unya professor because no ekutua baby what do you wa bien wa bresua de no obi say at a point ye wadi so man 20,000 and son of the sa title no I about body and the amount. Prof, do you want us to say nipa no ensambra make bia no lecturer
asma make no me say honorable Sorogo say obube o say any friend say obeto baba na ojabi so
yeah
and I'm saying say asemna that gentleman
in this case I don't have to wait for any friend ojina
no me making me
that Prof in this case no the Sorogo person can nyam for Sorogo person can say any wo kwan say any friend no say ojina bo so jo so beto because baby akeka kono atre ni friend ni
Mamin Clement let me fast here. Mamin Clement 1 second penafania. Mamin Clement. David. Mamin Clement.
I see you fair to him. You distracted.
No, I just wanted to clear so that you can see your way clear.
So can say clear there say you admit and say the can was ambiguous. So can say them and say or say the friend is so obeto no ojambi no ojambo so. E bono e there. Obi say so ko man panyin Okohun deputy chief of staff. And Oka say, original $20,000 before someone access. But I'm saying that who make that allegation now? It's an allegation. You need to provide evidence to support it. And sana be credible. Yes, sir. Make us say oh you're for. Doesn't mean say oh you're for. I need to give an evidence. Say, oh baby, my dear. That's the evidence. So I will say, oh my, Kabila can say opeska. Meaning, where is the evidence? That is why so challenge say as more canon you could be any what I said. Now say if he continues, but me I agree say so act to challenge or say the appropriate security services no to take action. And I support any action or be take it. But me if you say and now same biana obi katu obi soa no correct.
That's a fact.
And that same biana no we can't sit here and conclude say because any bakona continue and correct allegation and the allegation must be investigated. Yeah. So any call for say you may investigate that person or should avail himself they all make the allegation should go forward and provide evidence about incriminating essential. So himself can also initiate the process for it to be done. Yeah, come here. And 2001 or 2 and now Obeka Chair say if any Gazelle Yadsi I will say on it President Kofo Ewoma ye chino abasane esresa I didn't know what happened in this country. You see this issue no I'll be saying no I am restricted to Ascenso and I thought say let us deal with that matter but why stand there no but you come as so my opinion that Muhammad I know Odi Nawda has been accused of corruption and fraud.
Which one?
By Martin Amidu.
Said
about this jet issue, the Embraer issue. According to Martin Amidu, my opinion that mails a committee, some investigating in this country. What I say, Badwam issue came up a lot of corruption allegations. But I mean, I want to extend to you under this administration. Make us say Nipana Mubu or Mano angels. But there are several allegations of corruption. Nina, you're investigating Nina. Why not? Which of them and I accuse you will be said, why a Bonibi? You know, you're a seasoned and respected journalist. All the allegations of corruption in have been investigated. The Moody and now, Omwa, Yabo Mukoduno, Yakase, Oma Saboneno. The state agencies, Ekase, Omo Ene Bonibia, the ones that I know, maybe you can put me wrong because you asked me, I'm over quite as well. People throw mad at me. Politics. But on power sem opposition not or so within. It is there. We are MP. I'm sure say I'm up for your allegations of of some things against
Fire
you.
service, almost a lot of things going
Were they correct? Were they true?
Makofa condom. As she said, bottom.
I'm gonna say
my contract no crana me one one signing one contract.
Senior.
I just want
I'm gonna say a very tricky. Yeah. Nipa bit matters normal concord to bibi edetiao. To go and massive because of political power. Don't forget say NPP. Your prime is near 20th of January, less than 2 months ago.
So we are pressing the self-destruction button.
And I'm saying that
it could be part of the way.
We should, yes.
That is what Alain said. The ascenso that he knows.
Yes, no.
Sit down. That's all.
What's the ascenso in us? What you know?
Also, ascenso come and say breeder no.
Because got time bio mo.
Also, Alain Jogo carry. What say? Ascenso no onim no. Yeah. Eni wo kwanso otena se ma o man sa kwanya no.
Mbese mi ndoje o. Let's not read the response no. Okay. Just read.
Abuja pe no say nya we na ya be discuss. We only for but say time no.
Start here. Na do kofa ya na e.
Masa, dey ka say e kwa wa. Wo dey obenya time no invite me no. Yes. Nyanko. Na min chiro nyama. Bottom line is there is a distraction. Oh, bas there is a winning book where Ajapadi. Oh, Ajapadi am try winning.
Credible.
Just when you're credible. Don't worry. Already know what destroy Asenso. You don't allow himself brave proof. His aim is that no, you are not getting the point I'm making. Asenso will be happy for the comments I'm making. I'm surprised.
My understanding of what can I say? One, or say no true. Two, or say the security services.
Okay, so we wish to state categorically that the allegation is false and evil.
Yes.
Honorable Asenso Boachi does not know the gentleman in question.
Yes.
He has never met him, nor had any interaction whatsoever with him. It may be recalled that this is not the first time this allegation has been
that is where my problem
against
is.
The MP by the same person.
Same person.
It becomes obvious then that there was no iota of truth in the allegation.
The last one.
It gives cause to wonder why the gentleman will repeat the same allegation at this time, if not for evil and malicious intentions. It bears saying that the repetition of a false allegation does not make it true. It was false then, it will be false today. It is obvious that this is a spurious allegation which has resurfaced as a result of the propaganda machinations of the MP's political opponents and detractors who wish to court unnecessary public disaffection for him in order to score cheap political points. Should the Ghana Police or the Economic and Organized Crime Office find any weight in the allegation, we strongly suggest then that they invite Mr. David.
Fantastic.
That is even my point. He didn't even say that I am calling on the Ghana Police. It makes a lot of difference.
He is calling them to take action.
No.
That's what it says.
We are prof. At the school, the engineer called
English.
Minya. Or see, shoot the Ghana Police. Shoot.
Yes.
In case it's all movies on Bayadia. And yeah, say anything. No person
matter of public concern. So he's calling on them to do the needful.
Masa,
simple.
Please, let us be frank with ourselves.
Simple.
I'm not against
Professor
because seriously, they say damage now Papa ne pen waye. Exactly. Until I'm taking it serious. Say already no
taking it serious.
Excellent taking it serious because I'm now who done no. Papa ne dey to so.
The corner only go.
Corner ni deal man ka say wo say ya third one. And I'm eba.
We no.
There's a BB.
No, we don't Kenya no.
In
your mind's eye no. You are suggesting that as I say be born. That's what I'm saying. No,
that is your understanding, bro. Anyway, they are not.
That's it.
Professor Wadarma Oshase say. I dey Mr. Nanki NTN was on this. Oshase say. Asenso
na me no.
On tenase.
Emasa
mu. Akuapem ni ka say odi watam kra o say.
Bachosi.
Aha.
Oh yeah, boy.
Free advice. Me and Kaminka said this was our hotel and sana. Me first one.
So, Prof, what's happening in Parliament on this import restriction? What's happening there?
Yeah, senior. So, when we say on my woman, there were issues. Issues no. I check. When we say your economics kakra, the same issues na be intimate and overcome. Your export volumes, meaning your import burden, they be a crown your massa. Yentimi and add value to even our exports and all that. I have problem. The more Armenia or import no maybe no one control no. Every king one kasa local economy. A bad destroy of factories and industries are over our own. That is a problem. So I buy essay or the legislative instrument LI about operationalize the existing act no. So the buyer let's say ban on certain products which are 22. However, you be restricted in the importation, exportation. That's it. And meanwhile, essence let's say you be strengthen local capacity in terms of the produce in this country. That is the essence of it. So, for example, many one of the deputy ministers for trade and industry, Kofi Bafi, Edin Komo and Opay. I say that pace, your capacity to produce about 90%.
Of what?
That pace. A part of the 22 listed items.
Listed items. No.
So 90% no there. Then it makes sense. Minya obey restricted. Dear where the okraba. No bua ama I mean local capacity no. At me I expanded. So I be helpful no bua your foreign exchange reserve. That is very important. So for some of us no we need to understand say to solve our balance of payment, balance of trade, and our currency issues. So, any economic policy to achieve a target. And this particular, intervention, I'm told say it is temporal. Your issues, for example, rice. Rice is part of it. They be rice farmers. Almost complaining say the local capacity no. They be an encoy. We import a lot more. So is it possible say to me I control the importation of rice? So the buyer yen destroy the local manufacturers or producers of rice. Meaning that's it. For me no earlier yadeba parliament. And about parliament, they say, oh, the buyer no pass you. We go through it. Say the buyer, I be who say, there no, a beboa or man punto. Politics is there. But they be we must make sure, say, I didn't know, so this particular intervention, a beboa are made to me about the local economy now. If the answer is yes. Number two, then you feel say, yes, a crema, bet me a they will look at it. You don't just say, because air restrictions, we need to rubbish it. At the end of the day, we also know saying more important, those food items, you better say so much. That is not the point. That's not the point. We are saying yen build your economy, no. Say a year on build importation. At the end of the day, who suffers? Or man entering economy. The import volumes every month are about $400 million. We now able to strain on
$400 million on what?
I'm talking about our import volumes also.
$400 million.
Yeah, a month. Oh. Yeah, you can check. I mean, you can also check 17 channel. However, let us make sure say my point is that protect the local economy. No. Parliament, examine the airline. No. We will make sure say local producers.
Airline.
One more discussing. It's been discussed.
In fact, the first day, I was there, and Minister for Trade Industry,
Katie,
say Ole.
So is the minority against import restriction? I don't want to get it. What's their position?
I think they have issues. Now, if they have issues, I don't have any problems. But we need to discuss. They now obey no. And after forcing the minority leader, Eka say, Omano enlay because or say they need to do they need to consider some issues. And I withdraw. I was there. Since that time, we name the SC1. But minority more issues are. I won't fight them because they're also Ghanaians. And I'm representing a section of the population. But you know what I say? You say in this airline, no, inimical to our progress, so bad. My point is that there are issues, one. Let us look at the issues. Then discuss the issue dispassionately. Now you find solutions are about the economy. That is the way to go.
Okay.
But maybe the minority response, I almost say this policy, and they made the political because in the airline, no, it is the Minister for Trade Industry on the permit. And from what I read from the minority, no, almost say a better benefit a section of NPP members.
I'm provide the alternative.
No. That's what I'm saying. Say, I try to be objective in my analysis. What I say, my point is that when
they raise issue about Minister Nessa, it's a big problem. What's the meaning of that? That was their practice when they were doing.
Even OSHA report the petition by the associations now. I'm already say Minister no. Yes, I know. A bit lead to so many things. So it's an issue.
No, but what's the meaning of that? That's what the country continues to practice. I know for a fact because I'm in the poultry business.
Yeah.
That at a point in time, you needed to get a certain clearance from Dr. Louisa and the BCU.
Good.
Before 60%
and 40
and then 40.
Yep.
So I want them to discuss it well, but I don't think it should be about a minister signing because clearly a minister will sign.
Yeah.
But the details should be well discussed.
Fantastic. So for me, no, okase, ebia what issues say ebia minister no na ema permit na. What then no alternative? Then I will propose. For example, should we get maybe a committee to look at that?
So they should
bring an alternative so that at the end of the day, for me, at the end of the day, no, you have the best for Ghana. And the best for Ghana, no, the more you dialogue and have conversations, no, you make me arrive at a solution
more trust issues with more. Internet we are very difficult for it to go through. They have trust issues with the NPP. Clearly, that's what it means. It's not that they don't believe in the system of the minister side. They have trust issues because I'm going to be paying deal.
It is not your nipa.
That's why the tax waiver and the issue for them.
No, the point is,
I'll come back to you on this.
Make trust issues. I don't think it's a trust issue. I think I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. Said they might have genuine concern, but that concern, say, addressing a bit my boy. That's what I want to say about that.
Alaji, why are you proving difficult? Initiation,
Master, first and foremost, what is the meaning of government? When you go, people queue in the sun, under the rain, no matter vote to a particular party, it's a party bra. So, what are they expecting from you? Improvement in their conditions of service. And I'm
welfare.
That's all welfare. Bra na be hweme so. Se na be ya mani beje, menya baby ada, menya suku akọ, menya nsu anom, me yare a mekọ ayare sabia. Me kodwo a metimi ato ade. Me hia we ya menya. Let me start from the DAPES. Was it DAPES? We have the capacity to produce 90%. You see, no problem about that. I am for it. But you have a capacity. Have you initiated, help those industries deliberately to start producing? Sa industry ma produce me biaka. Tio e biaka ama buso. And you know, I will say yes substitute too. No. You say we have a capacity. What you should be talking about is what is the capacity now? What we are producing now is just about 30%. Now, what we can produce now. Of course, as for when you say we have the capacity, when any capacity, what you say, Nancy Amosi Kaseko, Bio Waya, who bought a farm now,
maybe more.
Maybe because I'm coming. Me, I'm also a poultry farmer. And to can I me a poultry farmer, me a cattle ranger, me, I'm into farming. Masa, the issue is simple. I didn't think Uncle for cranium and back. And Crawford cranium and because Ghana had no ye ni bi. Even with the crana ye crabano, prices no crano, a cost no yentiminto. Because demand and supply are simple. Makole woman you want you nim. If the goods are many, and then few people and a quarter nebo abeba form. Tomato, ebebu so a hey ne boy from a free mo a obeto me ensa 10 cedis abro se siam no ka se siam no ka se abro ene anura me bisa me sister wo wa o say 600 cedis per bag abro wa. This is the time on can say abro I was any bo I was from kra but ohwa rainfall pattern na change after now so that's auto niam nyina sesa enti no ka se more capacity kind the regime of import duty import license problems at the break Ghana okay for to beji golf a champ on time so many problems because obi na eba be kan kire us me kofa we na kofa we makon cite 22 items sugar kan answer no be ka say wo keteli sugar no say wo sugar factory they produce sugar
but say wo sugar factory
near pacho near
very good question
there was sugar factory and this building and people see and twice
with question marks.
Yeah, of course. There's no way a question mark in you. But we marking no what's why any obey ya a baby because Ghana for scan here.
Okay.
I see tomatoes. Shania man no woman de bano.
I'm saying ensure na mjini say so mutwa muntem. Ensure they say you produce more. You produce more. Can you believe that the whole of last week and you say me ya advert Belakwa is short to the whole country. I'm telling you. Yes. I need a big bag. No, me say a particular brand. Me can say show you na short.
No, me say then a short.
And I mean, person make all what I know is I mean, you at Tombi or taking more. Or quite no wholesale on the man almost must have been almost 1 month. Machines now say you say then I say when ya short. And she also there me so kasa my head you.
O say
Abba me say Abba. Abba a friend no na start by. And tell no na be kwa koto no wo mo ration. Na say mama adan wo say alaji. E short to sa afia na kakra ba ntia ration.
But I'm question Dawson.
Dawson Kwabenya. Kwabenya wants to make no. Dawson but you are Tony you are not aware. You don't know. I am a host.
So I'm surprised.
What was saying?
Me kwenda be brave I'm told too.
You don't know. I'm telling you. It's because you wanted to.
Baby, we na juma oyo.
Oh, papa. And then you had a
prof. Na juma oyo.
Prof, why? When I mean no interquo. We are the brand. Until the young person. Me no interquo. Import substitution. And we will be a trans and what you know said that be. Answer na obeka say me kwa kodo afuo nu. I was so when asase. Me boa.
Yeah.
I was so when to say we portrait. So when your portrait na obeka kofa day old for it say. Wo nyina ngu. Obetimi abrudo omo. Wo ko brudo omo hin na do omo kogu.
Problem na aba.
Entinu I was so witness na wo hyehyɛ. Ma ye me portrait dan no wo ho. Me kokɔ no me 4,000.
But they can copy my regime no 60-40 regime no.
Masa me kan no ba. For the time being na wunya ye no yenhwe hawa portrait no say Ghana ye produce because portrait farm Ghana wu kakra bi wo hobby kosua na say 50 cedis minimum a crate
55
me say minimum obi a wato no foforo no amoto nketenketen no
any farm price so ko jina na say wonya
so you can imagine kosua na ye 10 cedis 12 cedis and then I drew 55 okay among for the kosua ba Ghana for complain say intimi nto kosua mpa abamunu boni ekosoro then you ask identity ana wo kwabna say be say my brother o farms no there no challenger feed
number 1
na sami wo feed abroad thing
number 1
okoye 1 ton of feeder buchu enti ete wo sign anya say wo na on pese wo be fa mo but because of the problems no wo we militate against won't mean fan kokɔ no mo
obeto aso yenkofa game park mbra na yentoa ye
like me flow na
over flow ba se buze wo peja wo na game park for say job ba
because me I don't have a problem but enkoye import license ya masa
by the we na masa to en come on so we have about 10-15 minutes to wrap up ayeka. Yeah, the lucky about first year, the kingdom about and
program na quite chill by the time
we appreciate that consent.
Time
is money.
I'm on for share papa.
Madam was it.
No for share. So are we in the package?
They were tough.
One year. And I will be our down for a JMD. I will say, JM Nina, I mean,
not a panic, I can Japan.
Oh, say when you say, TSM say, GM confirm me free techima.
Yo,
I mean, GM confirm free techima by. I may more radio good. Like Japan's been family free radio good.
I don't know one of radio gold with the assembly now.
Yeah.
Say fuck anything. Come the penny 4 pound woman in a radio gold.
Most of the top guys in
exactly.
And we have to thank Kwesi Tiba for money.
Yeah. I'm funny crimes.
On my him Kwabena Sante.
Oh, Papa.
What can I say? Okafia on tape.
Yeah, the lucky about for so I like me and wrap up well. On this one, I'm out for interested in Shishaya binding the Tuja. Any the alternative for opposition so they back. It's very important.
Yeah.
Say you're managing here because of the experience I've had under the previous regime on this broiler project. Mijini say the potential to equip the local content, you know, so high, but implementing it, you know, continues to be
a problem, a challenge, not a problem.
Yeah, we have to find a way out of it. Doc,
Senior,
Professor,
some of the here, for me, instructive. And point and I make it initial and say, well, I know, young share, young people come for so a bear now at my boy. Offer inquisitor and inquisitor. Page 8, Guta demands timelines, more details on import restrictions bill. Now, things are very instructive. I'm a boss, no. Mami with the I say the president of the Ghana Union of Traders Association, Dr. Joseph Obeng, says government must provide details and timelines for the implementation of the import restrictions bill currently being considered by Parliament. For me, I think that's very important. Minority, majority, society, young sure kind of us who are buying by year. That is what I would say about this. Now, this intervention, and import substitution, a restriction, they are two different things. So, I don't think that our buying doesn't mean well. Then we have concerns about our economy. The economy, no. Then come ever so a bit to me up the economy. Now you create the enabling environment, no. Now you boost to the creation of more factories. Now we have about 160 of them in operation, and at least me.
A new ones and as a more support.
No, they said it be a new, already existing ones are your support. So for me, no, what is important is say at least because I asked the first question on 1D and 1D1F. At that time, no. Now, I just said 120 of them, creating about 150,000 direct and indirect jobs. May take quite a so. You were Casapecon. When you said those times, no, not a paramount salaries. Now, no, a Casapecon. Minia, Minipabia, or more quite as well. Or made my you brought us so you about coming my at least a buyer, no, at me up provide their jobs. What I say. Almost export to eco neighboring countries, no. I've been with the MD. My question, you told me this. Other areas also, no, a big cost for her. Quite a also a bit to me, as strengthen our capacities, no. The more your factories, no. You have strong industries, no. Now you delay with unemployment challenge. Now you export to value addition. Yes, but no, we will get foreign exchange. We wanna may increase your revenue envelope. Minya or maybe your domestic economy in terms of revenue mobilization is very important. So to me, a builder local economy here, onko bobosia kese. Because the more bobosia not a building economy. We know kese because of the global trend that you go to no. Interest rates, you buy power. Now interest rate about 30%. So by about 14 or 13.5%. Because of global issues, no. Yes, also as an increase echo around 30% as we speak now. Meaning interest rates a monetary policy by the central bank. Who increase here? Normally, no, you are dealing with inflation. What I say? Oh, Tesla money supply. You want money supply to be in circulation. The more interest rate above from now, businesses can go and borrow at a lower rate. No more expanded. People get access to credit and cheaper goods and services. They also dealing with inflation pressures, inflation targeting. So, but then, so inflation no cost you also increase interest rate no. So the buyer money supply no, so better in the economy. That is why. So all these things no, they are not static. Interest rates fluctuations no, mean because of policies are introduced based on the nature of the economy. That's it. May I agree with Dr. Joseph Obeng, and I'm saying say, I know, yen share na yen stimulate no, na yen for year and 2 year, na yen strengthen local production. I'm not saying say, almost import no. We should do something very effective. Now, the moment say, many deputy minister no kasa confirm if you kasa no, o catch me say a temporary measure abandon the edeba. Say it may delay with their issues now. Maybe okay say benchmark values no. Yeah they buy no. Okay.
Benchmark values.
Yes, yeah they buy no. Later no it was I think 2022 budget or so no. It was reversed and all that. So minya obi samia we na meka we need to kwa enyema bo ato forcing very sharp guy on the minority side. I mean they should come to the table. Now the committee no so no I think constitutional legal and parliamentary affairs committee. Now and they are astute lawyers. Now yensho kan so
Aminia first and foremost bibi anywhere ya say obi be call nsuo soro no akwa hono no no atumika ba asia be ka say one year nsuo no time. I mean when you are talking about inflation any check it masa for the whole of the records of Ghana or Ghana history one borrow Bank of Ghana timia borrow aban 77 billion within 2 seasons 2 years 35 and then 44 now 43 2021 2022 to the point is Bank of Ghana to me book 60.8 billion but me buy on one case because me the 43.8 acha buy
correct no
asem
book of the question no bisa no one correct na
prof o kasa no on say na o yen sem bibre ba me ama no kom na me hwe
sem na ya talk kasa
o ba kasa your time no interest rate no was 30%. I didn't know whether say you were talking of the base rate Bank of Ghana diaba and now you were talking of the commercial rates because base rate na yeja was 25%. Okay, and am beti so ade ba 40 and am dia ko 30 base no and they say commercial banks no borrow at 40 go and ask anyway 35 to 40%. Wo menua utia wo portrait wo betimi akobo bu 40% ankoko no faso say na wo benya a wo betimi break even. Adam because of this because Bank of Ghana a print sika at a time where constitution no aka say look who print here at 5% and obetimi print mana bro the last year total revenue no Bank of Ghana did 60%. What you can't say a demonstration at China swab and assembly no kai what say hooligans want to say buy out den you can say won't and then the base rate no Bank of Ghana so the Sikani Hebreu commercial bank now was it to 30% no Bank of Ghana because a kana reckless a kana boy no I was offer kwanya or the titi to 30% man na wo kwa bobu say na mama nua ya otiwoi safa kwa ya akokwa wa kwa Greek Development Bank ECOWAS commercial banker wo kwa ko 40% interest. How can it work and work it? No matter you see you don't say was it when you import substitution there?
No, it's not.
What's it?
Import restriction.
Restriction. I don't cry no. Restriction. We have a WTO law. Me attended Geneva conference because I was the chairman several times. We are signatory. Hold on. You ready me? Me don't visa me problem because me nyasa. But okay, sometimes me boy be baha. Kebe enta kwa me sorry me ko. Masa. Restriction, you don't use the word restriction these days. It will not fly. Restriction and the IMF deal. Who restricted? Other countries. It doesn't fly. You can say import substitution. Me chrome ni import we ni be bre, ye produce ni be bre. And to me tenasi, ama umbe dampo. Who dear no engumi me dear no. I know it is allowed under the WTO laws. And you know question also be say niama 22 no emu say emu niahi na Ghana ye timi produce Ghana ahoboa be ne ye say ne ye ka say ye katina ye betimi produce. We don't have it. Nobody say. And why don't you then go back and say, okay, Sadia Ghana, so okay, Professor Mills, Afife rice, or the machines buy helicopter, send a baby to me, local rice, no, say, foreign rice. Now, I ye, Massa, what happened? What happened? I don't want to go there. And all what I'm saying is, until say, we are self-sufficient. One person of export to. You export to make foreign exchange. And then you be say under the watch of this government. Be a deliberate attempt. Most good banks be brave. And small companies, they cannot even enterprise. Oh, my good, until buy.
And I support government's initiative not for banks to totally collapse. Then they had a percentage of Ghanaians are abnormal. The government's position was that Sesana Montuna as of that time and Kayune bet you and
excellent. I buy it 100%. But one can say Ghana a buying over Kansas and was a banks in the say 12 billion. Also banks in the car 12 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes, in the Abroso.
Yes, Abroso now 24.
Yeah, yes, in Abroso.
So the question is, so who bet me you so 12? No banks in a juma, no be any juma, not withdrawals will be a. Why do you have to collapse them? Number one, number two. Who be now so and they panic withdrawal buy bank be masa we are aware media no wa mekwa koyi enti no unya be kan ye pe and obi adi me ka kirikira ne me koyi misika ana banks de ye nim wo de ba ye je we ne de ye we ne je we ne de ye we enti wa kwa na so no obi akoso kokoyi de ana banks no e collapse ye. Number 3, who now be raise capital no from 120 million to 400 million. Knowing very well say indigenous banks no ayan kitin. No wa ba be raise near what say would deposit also the Common Bank of Ghana no from 120 equal 400 million. A better than banks say adwai. And minia o kanya japade we ya. Who some him so copy?
Japade the investment jet say.
Just 1 second.
David, what can I say? Mebam. Because that will not be fair.
You are not
fair. It's not a fair word.
There's no fair word. I know with you. You are not. You are.
I believe that.
When you happen, you say, you're not self-sufficient. No, no, you know, or say,
me can say, me see you working towards helping the local industry. Mama produce no.
Introduce the regime.
Yes,
System 14.
Exactly.
To face it out.
NDC regime under Mills. That man now omoye a whole university no. You has no. At that time no, it was not complete, but still na normal day. I think na man train University of Health and Allied Sciences.
Volta region.
Yes. Almost 30 years no. They didn't have even the full complement of the structures. As Omokoye. The same thing applies to Unel. So no, you are so
one word way.
Or thank God competing before.
Self-sufficient. 160 companies have been established under one F1D.
Yeah.
Me patro, ye jack government na mamono na unemployment 8.4%.
Okay,
and now 14%.
Thank you so much. Excellent. Thank you.